Any mention?
Pardon to mention, your lordship, I filed for modification in order. Enable
Sorry, item
modification in order.
item 5.
This was the case, sir. Modification. This was
Item 5
Modification of the order is out of list.
out of list. Why you are saying item 5?
Item 5,
Then
IA filed
okay,
for
IA file. Okay, give it. There. No mention. Start.
Supplementary list, item 1.
May I please the last. My lord, the matter relates to regularization of an order of employment law. In this case, my lord, this honorable court by a judgment had passed the order under Annex 2, my lord.
Seeking regularization.
My lord.
He has already been regularized from with effect from 4 to 25 millers. And they are seeking that regularization with effect from date of appointment as ad act miller.
You just see, I am issuing notice.
My lord, my respectful submission is.
I'm issuing notice.
My lord.
Respond. Yes, issue notice. Yes.
Item 2.
Item 2 maybe taken up 1 week after obtention instead of none.
Keeping exam up to vacation.
Published.
Item 3.
Password.
Regularization millers.
Regularization, issue notice then.
Already been regularized, we have anti-dating.
Antedated, but just see if can be possible. Issue notice, yes. 4.
Item 4.
For same anti-dating regulation. Same anti-dating regulation at par with.
Okay, issue notice, accept notice. Yes.
Fix a date, man.
Item 5.
All of the vacation.
Same millers. Regularization.
Regulation, issue notice.
Item 6.
Six mile petitioner challenge the order of rejection by the annexure 9 page 43 mile for appointment or rehabilitation appointment. Sir, here is a case millers petitioner was the work charge employee millers. He never been regularized and not brought over the regular establishment. And so RA rule is not applicable to work charge employee millers. Therefore rejection was made millers. Because RA rule specifically said that to
That's what you have
government
said.
servant.
In Annex 9, you have said that.
Government servant, RA rules,
The workers, the employees are not government.
not a government servant, unless until he has not brought over the regular establishment.
Yes. So show me the RA scheme where workers employee can also be covered.
Page 39, my lord.
39. Okay. 39. 39.
Applicability of the provisions laid down in Orissa Civil
Yes.
Services Action.
Even
Rule
where are you reading? Applicability
Page
of
39, my
provisions laid down in the Orissa. Yes.
page 39. Applicability of the provision laid down in Orissa Civil Service RA Rule 90 to the families of non-government primary school teachers teaching and
Work
non-teaching
charge
staff,
employee.
my lord. And
What-
similar
what is-
is a person have been
This
given
this is
appointment,
this is the scheme, huh?
my lord. Rules.
What is this? What is this, by the way?
He has been rejected under the 20 rules.
You covered under 90 rule, but rejected under 20 rule.
No, he's covered under the 20 rules. Millers.
Show me 20 rule. 90 rule you are covered. 20 rule, let us see. Do you have the 20 rule? Because 20 rule is applicable to you. 20 rule is applicable to you after that Supreme Court judgment. If
4425 my law.
hmm,
4425 notification my law. I will glance to and it's 10 page 44 my law. 44 notification said that the application is
let us see,
pending prior
40
to Miller's name.
okay, let us see. 44 na? 40
Compulsion Miller's 27.
Yes. 44.
44.
This is 20 rules.
Yes, no, point 4425 is it is 20 rule is annexure 6 page 26.
No, page 44, what are you showing?
She only commented has amended the rule and applicable 1990 rule was
No,
see that
provided that in case of a death of the employee, government employee, occurred on or after so and so, Amendment rule, and before the commencement of home shall be governed by the provisions of code. That is there, that is now settled, that's not a problem.
Let's see, provided that in case the death of the government employee occurred on after commencement of the Odisha civil.
This is regarding applicability of
Yes.
20 rule or 90 rule. That's not an issue.
Yes, my lord.
20 rule is applicable in each
Yes.
case. Under 20 rule, whether workers employees are also covered, show me that. Show me
Your
that.
lordship, see that applicability page 27.
27, okay.
Four.
27. Yes. This
Compensation
is,
appointment.
this is 20 rule, okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Base level group D post under these rules shall ordinarily available to the spouse of
The-
the deceased government employee. Provided in case spouse more than 50 years and rather than such and such government employee are not willing to serve by the giving written declaration, this respect the
How
spouse-
government employees defined?
government servant Millers, C Millers, government not defined Millers. Lordship, see that 2C. 2C, page 26. That compensation amendment means appointment of a family members of the deceased government servant.
Right, government servant is defined.
Page 11, my lord, I have a glance service book. I have a service book.
Yes.
Date of entry into government service. 5/5/2011.
That's what he says. Work charge employees are not government servants. That is what he says.
No,
Show me from the scheme that
Servi-
you are covered.
Madam, my husband was entered into service in 5/5/11. Service
You
book was
entered
open.
into work
At
charge.
par with the service government servant. Work charge are at par with the government.
Show me that. That's what I'm asking.
The service book open, my lord.
Work charge that
High-
work charge employee. Service.
What is
Issue notice, just
My-
take it up.
my-
Issue notice. The petitioner is seeking compassionate appointment under the prevailing scheme. His claim has been rejected by Annexure 9 on the ground that the Odisha Service Civil Service Rehabilitation Assistant Rule 2020 for the rehabilitation assisted benefit cannot be extended to the families of worker employees. The state council submits that worker employees cannot be equated with the government servant, and the scheme is only available to the government servant. On the council for the petitioner taking me to the 1990 rule as well as 2020 rule submits that the workers employees are treated as a government servant for the purpose of the rehabilitation scheme. Issue notice.
Only say that petitioner husband died on 6/5/25.
Yeah, I'm just issuing notices. Yes.
Item 7,
My please, lordships. After serving 20 years as Anganwadi worker, lordships, he was disengaged without providing opportunity of personal hearing. The law's guideline says while passing this disengagement, the proposed
No,
act-
against that, this order,
there is
other intermediary.
there is appeal provision.
Huh.
But thing is, once it is a violation of the guideline, sub-collector.
That in the appeal also you can raise this point.
Lordship, that precisely the point.
Hmm.
But I am before my lord, guidelines say you must give personal hearing.
I understand. He is not there. You have not been given.
Factual aspect, there is no dispute. I am in law.
So therefore, what law?
Law that they have violated.
Whether personal hearing is given or not, it can be
It is
question of fact.
appeal.
It is a question of fact. Where is the question of law?
Uh,
It is a question of fact to be agitated in the appeal.
That's precisely.
I'll give that liberty to you.
Lordship, see the annexure 2.
Huh.
So cause notice has been given, he has not filed the reply and.
That's
that-
precisely my point.
These are
Lordship,
question,
kindly
this is a
see.
question of fact.
Kindly see.
Huh.
Kindly see in that annexure 2, so cause notice which
Mr.
was
Naik, it
given.
all disputed question.
Why did he open his mouth?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see.
What sort of document?
uh,
What did you do?
Let's
Saying that? Why your committee saw that? Like that?
Lordship,
So,
kindly see.
hold on in the morning.
Absurd argument.
Not absurd.
Oh, yes. I have shown.
Okay,
I am answering to that. I am answering to that.
hold on.
Why you have said that?
Hold down.
I am answering to that.
Why you are saying that?
Hold on.
When Lord
Ground of attack, I think his ground of challenge is only confined to the non-compliance of
guideline.
principle of natural justice. Natural justice. Mr. Naik, pointing out the guidelines, submits that none affording an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner and while before passing an order of disengagement is directly in violation of the cardinal principle of Audi under patent. Hence, he seeks indulgence of the writ court. On the contrary, counsel for the state submits that since there is an alternate remedy of appeal is provided, no writ could have been, no writ is maintainable. He further submits that whether the principle of natural justice is followed or not is a pure question of fact, which could be appropriately agitated before the appellate authority.
After
Regarding
20 years.
regarding it to the submission of both the parties, I know for the consider review, since alternate remedy is provided under law, the petitioners shall resort to the paid remedy instead of availing the remedy of writ and agitate. It is open for the petitioner to raise all the points into the point of non-compliance of principle of natural justice.
Within 4 weeks, Lord.
No, not for, you have not even filed. It is expected that the, once the appeal is filed, the appellate authorities will do it to see that this is decided expeditiously. Yes.
Item 8.
May I please rose? In item number 6, the present petitioner challenges the annexion 9, wherein
9.
my lord,
Yes.
is 86, my lord, wherein the opposite party number 2 granted promotion in respect of opposite party number 4 and 5, ignoring the
Then
fact.
I'll have to issue notice. Issue notice. Issue notice. Take out notice for the private respondent. So,
My lord,
yes.
Item 9.
Again, requested, one memo has been filed for withdrawal of the.
Yes. On the basis of in terms of the member. In terms of the- yes.
Item 10.
Annexure 3, the application for victim compensation under the scheme is pending before the Secretary DLS. This is 2021, my lord. And it is a case where FIR has been registered under section 302 of IPC, and being the survivor, annexure 2 is the legal right certificate. Application was made before the DLSA, Koraput, which is pending on, application was made on 31 March 2021. Till date,
Victim compensation.
my lord?
What is the compensation?
Yes, my lord.
Is it complete?
Yes, my lord.
The document is not where is
My lord, there is district law.
the annexure 3, if you see,
Yes.
this is an incomplete application, it looks like.
My lord, this is the number is there. We see application number 1321.
Number is there, but no annexure, nothing.
Everything has been mentioned.
Mr.
by-
Bolo, seek instruction, just seek.
He may file another.
No, he
application.
might have filed,
Yes, yes.
might have filed along with that, say, see, the annexures are not complete, nothing is there. They seek instruction
My
because
lord,
of
that
final.
I have annexed my FIR copy, Aadhaar card I have annexed, my lord.
File an application before the competent
He has
authority.
filed the application. It's
There,
pending.
my lord, if he will file there, that will be considered by the authority. Your lordship direct. We will file a
Yes.
fresh application there and that will consider by the.
But this is pending since
It's 2021, my lord.
there is no date, what kind of application
madam,
you
there-
file, just see annexure 3. Who will give indulgence?
That
Date is there, my lord, date of application.
Where is the annexure? There is no copy
Madam,
of
annexure
FIR,
is
no Aadhaar card, nothing is there, simply उठा के एक
Let's say the date of application, 31/3/2021, it is mentioned.
when I can't see that.
My lord, page 15, date of
Where
application.
is that? Just see from the this.
31/3/2021,
Where
date of
is-
application,
Where is it?
15.
In between
Annexure
31,
3, page
3.
15,
What is this? Date of
date of application. Mention that 31/3/2021.
See, at the end it is written the documents if any filed.
FIR copy.
So the FIR copy, unless you give me the FIR copy, whether
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are entitled to compensation or not,
Yes, my lord.
I'll
FIR
pass
copy.
a direction, then on that basis, the court is bound to, the authority is bound to do something. You show me that you are entitled.
FIR copy of annexure 1.
Where is that?
Annexure 1 is the FIR copy, my lord.
What are the allegations?
Offense is intersection 302, my lord.
Show me this provision by which you are entitled.
Yes, my lord, that is the new amended rules, my lord.
Who is the accused? Sorry, who is the deceased?
This is my lord.
Show me, assaulted her mother by?
The date that with the legal certificate of NS. This is the Sibo Sankar.
Where is that? In the FIR, show me.
This is Kudi Paraja.
Show me that.
Annexure page 12, my lord.
Nani, page
Page
12.
14. Annexure 2.
14.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
The legal certificate.
I am asking who is the deceased. Show me.
Yes, my lord. This is mentioned.
From the FIR, show me. Or some document.
Yes, my lord. Page 11.
Huh.
Let's say my permitted read, my lord.
Yes. Show me. Come to page 10
Yes, my lord.
in the FIR.
On dated 16/10/22 at 11:23, complainant Guru Paraja, son of Siva Paraja of village Kota, PS such and such, and presented written report alleging that in that
Guru Paraja is the informant.
Guru Parja is the
Is
informant.
the informant. Who died?
died Kudi Paraja,
How is related to Guru Paraja?
mother.
Where does it say? At
Right.
about 6 p.m. while his wife cooking in the kitchen. So. Guru Paraja's wife died.
Yes.
Mother बोल रहे.
No, Guru Paraja mother died, my lord. Guru
Her
Paraja is
mother?
the son.
His wife came outside and correspondent reached the spot and found that her mother fell down on the ground with the bleeding conditions. And he along with her. Yes, what is this notification? Show me.
That notification, my lord.
Which part?
That is the amended rules, my lord.
You have given one. Which part?
That my lordship. Lordship kindly glance to page 2 of that notification. In the said scheme, following schedule shall be inserted after schedule 1, namely schedule 2. Compensation scheme for women victims or survivors of sexual assault or other crimes. I am coming under other crimes.
Compensation scheme for women.
For women victims or survivors of sexual assault or other crimes. I am the first death, loss of life. It is a case of death, my lord.
Who is entitled?
My lord?
Who is entitled? All the survivor.
Yes, my lord.
Petitioners are the petitioners. Show me the legal heads. Who is the legal? Guru Paraja is one of them.
Page 14.
And all of them are entitled now.
Yes.
And
Only-
who has given the application?
Only son has given
Then
application.
the other people will start claiming other brothers.
Better application file करंत. Should file a better.
All of
application.
them are entitled.
Because the informant is filed.
Whatever informant, but the legal, all the legal heads are
Well,
entitled.
once the quantum of compensation is determined, it will distribute it among the other legal heirs. Because
Then, but the petitioner is you, once I dispose it up, and you will tell the court that, tell that authority that High Court has asked.
other
See, these are the whole difficulty. Why don't you implement your all
cannot, my
other
lord.
legal heads?
The informant can only apply, my lord.
But you have to formally, you have to make them
Opposite.
perform a
Yes,
response.
my lord. I will bring them party.
See, you are making so easy these things.
I will bring them party, my lord.
You file a better one, place this also and other annexes also.
Yes.
I will dispose it up with giving you liberty to file it. I don't. Then counsel for the petitioner after arguing.
Lordship, I will make fresh application there, my lord.
Sometime submits that, usually the petitioner has invoked the jurisdiction following really. He submits that he is the informant in PS case number 119, Koraput Sadar PS case number 119 of 2022. As per the FIR given by him, the accused persons have, who is the accused?
Accused, my lord, namely,
Accused persons. Just see, there are a lot of problem you have.
yes,
Sibo Sankar is your brother, who is the accused. One of your legal hair
That
is the accused. Who is the accused is also entitled for compensation for killing the mother.
my lord, that is Sibo and the
So
other.
all these things. So therefore, the representation business. I understand it.
No, my lord.
I understand it.
Application is there,
You
my
give
lord.
a representation, get any order, and
my lord,
then
my
you
lord,
say
my
that
lord.
High Court has asked.
Well, it is not dependent, it is an application and that has been registered, my
That
lord.
is the reason it is not allowed, right? Have committed murders of his mother, and therefore, under the notification, dated to the those of issued by the government of Orissa Home Department, and he is entitled for the victim compensation. In that regard, an application has been filed, which is annexed to the it appears from the application that the application is incomplete, and the LR certificate reveals that along with the present petitioner, there are other brothers and sisters who are also entitled for the compensation, if any. Compensation, if any. Confronted with the situation, the petitioner submits that he would rather withdraw this petition to approach the authority with better particulars for the purpose of waiving compensation, entitled compensation, entitled compensation. In that view, the petition is disposed of with liberty as pressed. Yes.
Item 11.
Yes.
Reverend Maria petitioner is junior revenue assistant. He entered into service on 21/12/1992 as junior clerk. And while he was in service during 2009, DPC was convened and his case was kept in seal cover. His case was considered and kept in seal cover due to pendence of the vigilance proceeding.
You want the seal cover has to be opened.
Promotion from.
Yes. What is it?
Promotion issued.
Because see, he has already been acquitted from vigilance.
No, matter that matter, notice may be issued.
You should know. Written hold. Yes, next.
Item 12.
Yes.
Item 12, before after vacation, because during pendency, they have taken step for appointment of the OCSRA scheme.
On the request, yes.
Item 13.
May I please, your lords?
Hmm.
Lordship, daughter of the petitioner was brutally murdered, for which he has applied for victim compensation. That has been allowed under Annexure 1 minor. Award granted 2 lakhs only. The petitioner has prayed for enhancement minor. Kindly peruse page number 29 minor. As per the analysis guideline, the minimum limit for compensation for loss of
Now,
life.
what is the reason given for 2 lakhs?
There is no such reason, my lord. That has not been reflected in the order, my lord.
Petitioner by invoking jurisdiction. Have you sought for enhancement?
My lord,
Where is that?
my lord, prayer. I have also another prayer, my lord. Husband of the petitioner died, but the authority has directed to pay the amount of 50,000 rupees to the husband of the present petitioner, who is the appellant before the authority, my lord.
No,
But
I didn't
husband-
follow. The husband of the petitioner is died,
has already died, my lord.
right?
Thereafter, my lord, the
Why don't you apply it to the concerned authority? Straight
My
away
lord.
you came here. Applied all these things.
I have prayed also for enhancement, my lord.
Enhancement is all right. Enhancement also, have you move an application for enhancement?
No, my lord.
And then? How the writ court can decide? Unless you go to the authority, ask for enhancement, and whatever the
Already,
miscellaneous prayer you have.
appellate authority has already, the DLS has rejected the claim.
Hmm.
Thereafter, the appellate authority has granted the award, my lord.
Enhance award, you should file application before the competent authority.
But he has other issues also, right? Petitioner is agreeing by, no, petitioner submits that the DLA court has rejected his application for grant of victim compensation, which he assailed before the appellate authority. Victim by filing victim compensation appeal number 10 of 2024. The appellate authority, although awarded how much? 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs, my lord.
The appellate authority directed the DLSA Niagara to pay a total compensation of 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs to the applicants, He is seeking enhancement of the same on various grounds. Hence, he has said the order dated 4/9/2000. What is the order?
Next one.
8/8/2025 passed by the appellate authority. Who is the appellate authority, by the way?
My lord, law department, principal secretary to government
Appellate authority.
has passed the order.
Issue notice. Yes.
My lord, one more thing, my lord. At page number 38, the amount is to be directly paid to the
All this,
claimant.
I'm issuing notice first. Let us see. First, let me sort it out. Yes,
Item 14,
let him come forward.
Item 14, may it please your lordship. Your lordship, I am the wife of a deceased person who was attacked by a wild animal. I have applied for compensation in the Anukampa portal. However, my application has been rejected. Your lordship, the application is at Annexure 3.
Rejection order?
Your lordship, the rejection order was furnished to me by an RTI. It is at Annexure 3. There is no rejection order per se, your lordship, but it is written that it has been rejected in Annexure 3. Status is RO rejected. It is a portal through which they apply for compensation.
Just check it up, Mr. Burr.
My lord,
Whether
issue-
rejected.
my lord, it's issue
I'll
notice.
issue notice. Next.
Your lordship, only one query. There is another legal error. Shall I make them a party to this?
This is your problem. You do it. You can do whatever you want. Yes.
item 15,
Putting my appeal, my lord. This is second round litigation. Pursuant to the direction passed by the Honorable Court, they have rejected my prayer under Annexure 11, my lord. Counter is required in this.
What is this?
It's a prayer for regulation and sanction of pension under the.
Regulation notice. Issue notice. Yes.
16,
Oh, bless me.
May it please. No. It's a case for reinstatement in service. The petitioner was working as an NMR employee, and in the year 2004, he was without serving any retrenchment order. He was disengaged from the work that was going on. And there's an industrial tribunal order also, wherein it has been clearly stated and an award has been passed that without issuing and following the principle of natural justice, you have illegally disengaged him from the job. Now, my lord, he approached this honorable court in WPC 677 of 2022. The impugned order is Annexure 6. Lordship, may kindly have a glance at page 37, Annexure 6.
37. Okay. Yes.
Wherein this honorable court granted him liberty to file a representation, and it will be a decision will be passed in accordance with law. Annexure 6, they have passed an order stating he could not provide the muster roll. Whereas in the tribunal award itself, it has been exhibited. Lordship, may kindly have a glance at page number 30, paragraph number 6.
30.
30. Paragraph number 6. The muster roll, Exhibit 3 and the letter dated such and such reveal that the second party workmen were working as NMRs under the first party management.
Where are you reading?
My lord, page 30, para 6, last
Yes,
paragraph.
in the absence of any.
My lord.
Yes.
The muster roll, Exhibit 3 reveal that the second party workmen were working as NMRs under the first party management. And the muster roll has also been annexed at Annexure 1
Let's
series.
see, so the impugn order, where does it say that master roll is not there?
My lord. Page 37, Annexure 6, last paragraph.
Hmm.
Whereas the petitioner failed to produce conclusive evidence, an appointment order, wage slips or muster roll entries proving his NMR engagement.
Okay, but what about the appointment order and wage slips?
No, that is not with the petition. But he
You are
had.
pointing out master roll, okay, I agree.
No.
What about the other two things?
But actually, my lord, we are relying upon the tribunal's award only. And tribunal.
Where are these two things? You show me the wage slip and the appointment.
No, they have admitted it. They have admitted it.
That is the
My
ground
lord,
of, see,
page.
it was, you are non-suited on 3 grounds that these 3 documents are not there.
My lord.
You show me these documents are there in this.
Page 28. Page
Page
28, it is part of the award.
Okay, 1 minute. Page 28.
8.
Okay. Yes.
That the said Shrikant Sethi and Manoj Kumar Das initially joined as NMRs under the executive engineer.
Where are you reading?
Page 28.
28, na?
28.
Yes.
Executive engineer with effect from 1/1/2000 and continued till 2000 and then transferred to the executive engineer Prachi division Bhubaneswar wide letter number such and such and continued there till 2003. On 1/1/2004, the then concerned junior engineer of Prachi division intimating the retrenchment for service did not allow them to perform the duties, though no retrenchment order was served upon them. But the services of other NMR Sri Pramod Kumar Pradhan, who was working with the second party workmen, has been regularized.
Where is the appointment letter? Wage slip?
That is not. I'll obtain that, but it was difficult to obtain.
That is the whole.
Because it is a
issue.
2003 matter. We relied upon the arbitral award, the award of the industrial.
File those things and then I'll
File an RTA.
learn counsel for the, after arguing for some time, seeks an adjournment to place on record certain relevant documents. Documents, particularly the appointment letter and the wage slips up to the petitioner, for want of which the who has passed this?
My lord, the executive superintending engineer, Prachi division, OP4.
For want of which the impugn order has been passed by respondent number 4. Respondent number 4. Please the matter. Okay, you file it.
Grateful.
Yes.
Item 17.
Okay. Pass it over. Yes.
Item
Because by this case, my lord, he has died.
18,
Petitioner's father died on 31/10/2020.
17 or 18?
17, my lord.
Uh-huh.
That is, the rule, the amendment 4425, rule 19, my lord, that is not applicable here. He will not get that benefit. RS scheme से benefit पाइबनी because 4/4/2025 जो amendment है ला, से 1990 मसीहा rule अनुसार.
See that now Supreme Court has clarified. If the applications are pending, then new act will apply, a new rule will apply. You will not decide, they have filed long back, you will not decide thereafter you say the 19 rule. Nothing.
That is there.
No.
Adjourn to some other date. We should notice, my lord, you should notice, my lord.
20 rule apply.
My lord, you should notice will issue, my lord.
Notice. Yes.
Item 18.
Here, my lords, the husband of the petitioner while working as a construction worker died, my lord. The death was a natural death. For the notification of the labor and ESI department, he is entitled to get compensation of 2 lakh, my lord. In
Where
this
is-
regard, he has
Where is that notice? Have you filed it? Who died? Your
husband of the
Okay.
petitioner.
you should have placed it on record. Show me where, how he died,
Last page of this time.
how he died.
A death certificate I have annexed under Annexure 2, my lord. Annexure 1, my lord.
Yes. Death certificate is all right. How he died.
That was a natural death, ma'am.
In the case of natural death also you are entitled.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is that? In the,
Last page of the notification, ma'am.
No, not, this is something else.
Last page, ma'am.
Natural.
Death
1 lakh.
benefit natural, 2
1
lakhs,
lakh
ma'am.
rupees,
Enhanced
2 lakh.
for-
In case of natural death. Who is the competent authority?
OP number 3, madam.
OP number 3.
Madam.
Have you applied for?
Yes, madam. Annexure 3.
Issue note, no? Petitioner's husband has died on 1/9/2021. He was employed as,
Construction worker.
he was a construction worker under how will I know that he construction worker?
Construction worker, madam. Under the Odisha building and other construction worker.
Then the petitioner contended that the deceased husband was a construction
Annexure
worker
2,
under the
Annexure
Odisha
2 is there.
building and other construction.
Odisha Buildings Other Construction Welfare Board.
Since
He is a member of
31/10/2017, bearing registration number ODNYD 001053299. He has expired on certain. Therefore, it seeks compensation assistance as per the labor and PSI department's notification dated 30/5. In that regard, he had already applied for a grant of compensation of 2 lakhs, which has not been decided by the, who is to be decided? Who is to decide?
OP number 3, madam.
Which is pending, it's not been decided by OP number 3. OP number 3. Shall I dispose it up?
My lord.
Otherwise,
Hello,
my
ma'am.
counter it appears that she heard since the petitioner has annexed the death certificate as well as the application is moved before the Secretary, Orissa Building and other construction workers welfare board at Bhubaneswar. And he has also placed on record the notification dated 3/5 in view of the urgency involved in the matter being a compensation issue and being a compensation issue and of a level construction worker. I think it appropriate to dispose of the requisition with the direction to the opposite party number 3, opposite party number 3, to decide the claim petition expeditiously in accordance with the law, expeditiously without further delay, with this observation, the petition is disposed.
Fix the time, madam. Time, your lordship may fix the time.
I don't know how many applications are there. I don't know anything, but it expeditiously is. Otherwise, if I issue notice, they'll file counter, it will take another 2-3 months. It's better that you get some money. Yes.
Item 19,
This is petitioner claiming pension under old OCS.
My lord,
pension.
this case, my lord, the Ananda's case, your lordship was the counsel in the Supreme Court, my lord. That case, he is referring that case, my lord. Ananda's case.
Ananda.
Notice go.
I will not hear it. Please the matter before someone. I'm not a party. Okay. Yes.
item 20,
Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner's father died due to the electric current shock on 9th August 2025. Thereafter, the petitioner filed an FIR before the concerned police station at Tirtol. And subsequently, on 15th September, filed a application before the opposite party to office for rightful compensation because both the father and one wheels cow both died due to the electric current and the infrastructure electric transformer was not maintained properly. One wire was hanging barely upon the agricultural field, your lordship.
No, this compensation under what provision?
Provision that lordships that Electricity Regulatory Act, whenever that they have done the all negligence to maintain the infrastructure.
Show me that.
Lordship, normally whenever I'll show you the same, but normally when that this due to the negligence of providing the proper service.
See, you have to establish these are again disputed facts. You have to specifically plead and file relevant documents.
Lordship, that
Only FIR is registered and you say that give compensation.
And
How will I know whether who is responsible, why it is happened? Nothing is there. No pleading, no document, nothing except FIR. These compensations are not decided like this.
Lordship, I'll file the medical report also. That kindly maybe notice maybe should I'll file.
Only FIR and read petition. There are
Document is there. The poor man has asked many times.
Please do one thing. You file relevant documents.
Lordship, I'll file.
So that at least something can be done for these people.
I'll file the medical document.
Don't file so casually.
Lordship,
FIR, give compensation. 5 lakh. What
Lordship.
is this? I don't know. Then counsel for the petitioner after arguing for some time, seeks an adjournment, place on record, relevant documents.
Lordship, oblige.
You file the charge sheet.
Charge sheet has not yet been filed, Lordship. After repeated request, Lordship, to the police station, they are not, charge sheet has not yet been submitted, your Lordship.
So therefore, see, unless charge sheet is filed,
Lordship.
prima facie case is made out,
Lordship.
how can a compensation be paid on the mere registration of FIR? Anybody
the
can
Lordship, the
register
poor
an
man,
FIR, ask for compensation. This is
Lordship, the poor man
Not
applied
the-
many times to the police station.
not the idea of the scheme, you know. Yes.
Okay, I'll file. Oblige.
Shall I dispose it up saying that after the charge sheet is filed, you...
No, Lordship, kindly direction we issue to the police to submit the charge sheet, Lordship.
How can I give direction to the
Because
police?
till today, Lordship, they have.
There is no such circular, no such.
I cannot give
I'll
a direction.
have to submit. I'll have to submit the charge sheet.
Police
Lordship,
may
I-
file a closure report also. How do I know?
Lordship, I'll file the charge sheet and all documents before your Lordship.
No.
Better you wait.
Better application should you file better application.
Item 20. Then counsel for the petitioner fairly submits that although the FIR is registered on that is
9th September.
9th September 2025, but the investigation has not yet been completed and the police has not filed a report under section 173 CRPC. And he has repeatedly approached the police for the purpose of completion of investigation. But the police has not yet filed the report under section 173 CRPC. The writ petition is seeking victim compensation. Victim compensation. Under which provision you are asking? Where is the provision? We have said victim compensation. Victim compensation. Since the charge sheet has not been filed, prayer made by the prisoner is to be premature. Therefore, he seeks to withdraw this petition to approach the court that approve the appropriate forum and the after the date for the yes. Yes. This observation petition disproved. Yes.
This,
Yes.
21.
May I please, my lord? Section 109 attacks this present case, my lord.
Yes. Custody since
Study says 13/3/2026, my lord.
13/3/26. Yes.
The injury report is not available.
My
We
lord,
have
page
in-
12. My lord, page 12 of the rejection order, injury was indicated, my lord.
Okay.
Paragraph
Yes.
number 2. The
Para?
investigating, paragraph number
The
2.
investigation officer sees the bloodstain Bhujali, so injury report reveals that to cut injury on his right.
Grievous in nature.
So.
Upper lip.
Grievous in nature. Grievous in nature means grievous cut injury and Bhujali sees
Upper lip.
bloodstain Bhujali sees. What are the antecedents?
No antecedent, my lord.
Where have you said that?
I have not stated, my lord, specifically. I have my
You
oral.
filed affidavit disclosing the,
My lord.
meanwhile, the state counsel to obtain the injury report. Huh?
Yes,
Get the injury report, is entitled to bail.
Yes, tomorrow you will
Injuries, huh? So,
tomorrow.
that will be on 12th, 13th.
Yes.
13th. Let the injury report come.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
22.
Yes.
An offense under section 20B2C of the NDPS Act.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, police during patrolling duty found one motorcycle and one tractor coming.
1170 kg.
My lord,
CD
who was
and
acting on
CD.
the spot, he is also religion based.
Commercial quantity, let the CD come. Yes. Next. Next. 23.
23.
May I please, your lordships? Lordships, it's a case of suicide by administering poison. The petitioners are old aged persons. Gara Murabi Mane. In allegation.
Petition number 1 is the husband.
Petitioner number 5 is the brother of the deceased man. 1, 2, 3, 4 is Gara Lokamana.
No, must be 2 and 3 must be father and mother.
No, my lords.
Oh?
Allegation, my lord, it's a different.
It's not a matrimonial dispute.
No, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, deceased.
FIR 103 302 रे FIR laws हला SC/ST Act रोहिला then the charge sheet होची then it converted to 306 even though there is a dying declaration and all.
My lord, dying declaration जो दी जनों का नारे देती ले पुलिस से मान दी जनों charge sheet रखी और जीता
CD is there already. CD got the.
No, I have not got the CD.
Get the order. Yes, madam. You are giving Okalat now. Why you? The police has filed case under 306.
So they should have filed
The murder case, then you file the protest petition, whatever you want to do it. At age of today, it is 306. I am testing whether he is entitled to bail or not. If you are thinking that it is a case of 302, you can very well file a protest petition saying that the investigation is not proper. So take cognizance under 302. But the age of today is 306 only. What to do? But I'll give you opportunity to oppose it. Let the worker take another call. Call for CD and release the matter on this side of vacation. Give the date. Okay.
Before vacation.
Before vacation. Yes.
Obliged, Lord.
Yes.
24.
Yes, sir.
Section 20B2C of NDPS Act. Quantity of ganja involved is
How much?
24 kgs, 685 grams. In fact, there are two applications. The petitioners in the first application were admittedly arrested from the spot. And the petitioners in the second application, they have been implicated on basis of confessional statement of these two petitioners.
What about the antecedents?
And antecedents, my lord, I have not disclosed in my petition, but if your lordship
The
permit,
first
I will
petition
file.
he has 40. The second petition he has 4. And third one doesn't have any antecedents.
That's the problem.
I will file a
Otherwise, I
comprehensive.
will grant you bail, but
Sir, the sole difficulty is that the
file comprehensive affidavit file. See and disclose in how many cases you have got bail and all.
the petitioner.
And one is
two in
under
the fir-
20B2C, NDPS only.
My lord, in fact,
But
the
recovery is only 24 kilo.
But 24 is commercial, 37 will be a bar.
Commercial
And
quantity, but
the other one is 20.
just above the commercial quantity.
Just above and
So it's giving idea.
Kali antecedent
If
declare
you
problem.
don't have antecedent, one can think of.
Mal-
So many antecedent, what to do?
no, so far as the
File an affidavit. We'll
I will
see
file an
what can
affidavit,
be
my lord.
best.
But that apart, my lord, the petitioner number 2 in the first application is the wife of the petitioner number 1. She is a lady, my lord, and that apart, she is along with a 2-year-old
You're talking about the first item?
First item,
Purnachandra.
petitioner number 2. Arjun Acharya is the petitioner number 1, and Ruchita Deep is the petitioner number 2.
No, 1 minute.
Lord, in fact, she is in custody along with a 2-year-old breastfeeding child.
Ruchi. Ruchita Deep.
My lord.
What about her antecedent?
Antecedent, my lord, senior.
Just see, madam.
She doesn't have
That
any
lady.
accident. From my record, she doesn't have any accident. Since the lady, if that is true that she's having a breastfeeding child, then let her be.
That's in 3920. 3920. Counsel for the in all the matter in trial, the counsel for the petitioner shall file compulsory disclosing the antecedent. In 3920, insofar as appellant number 2, Ruchita Deep, alias Achari, concerned, she is a lady of 23 years, having a child.
That is nothing on record, you know.
Huh?
That is on record.
Not
No, my lord. In fact, it is on record
no.
that she is.
What is not right then?
That she's having a child.
No,
You
it's
said
not-
breastfeeding child.
No, it's on record, my lord.
Please
The lordship may kindly have a glance annexure 223, page 23. In the cause title of the rejection order itself, it has been reflected, my lord. Ruchita Deep.
2 year breastfeeding child. Yes.
My.
Yes, breastfeeding child. Period of custody since
My lord, 9/2/26, your lordship.
2026. She is granted.
My
The
lord.
rest
The
you
rest
file
I will
affidavit.
file affidavit.
Rest you file affidavit. Yes.
Obliged to.
Yes, next.
25.
No, therefore, Mr. Ravray, alleged offense under section 20B2IC for NDPS Act, my lord. NDPS Act, my lord. Ganja seized 21 kg, 110 grams.
Antecedent you tell.
No criminal and similar nature, my lord.
Where have you said that?
My lord,
Where have you said that?
my lord, mentioning the paragraph number 5.
Para 5.
Petition have no criminal and similar nature.
They are from UP. They are from UP.
Oh,
Uttar Pradesh.
UP, okay. Then file affidavit.
My lord,
File affidavit disclosing your permanent address and who will be the local security and all. Okay. Okay. Outside.
26.
may I please, your lordship? Your lordship, I am in custody since 14/9/2023, but this is my second bail application. And interesting, in first bail application, I was granted bail by this honorable court. But there was a condition that to verify the criminal incidents. Thereafter, the learned court below has directed the criminal incidents in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Odisha. So, learned court below has directed the concerned PS to obtain criminal incidents from all the places. But criminal incidents could not reach in time. And there on the report, I have furnished another address also where. So till now, criminal incident when not reached. Thereafter, I filed a modification petition before this honorable court only by the annexer 4, my lord, and which was disposed, page number 67. This was disposed by the by a direction that to renew my prayer before the learned court below. Modification, for fresh bail application.
What do you say?
21 kg is from Telangana as well as this. And in
But no-
Odisha, he doesn't
no
have any
criminal
accidents.
incidents, my lord.
But earlier bail was granted.
Yes.
Subject to
Subject to
verification of
verification.
antecedent. You are not able to verify.
Yes.
And he moved an application and
You're directed to move it afresh.
but you have to furnish a local sureties.
My lord.
Local surety.
Local
Otherwise, see,
surety.
Andhra Pradesh, how many accused are there?
Sole accused, my lord.
Sole accused.
2 years, 7 months in custody.
2 years?
7 months in.
What is the stage of the trial?
2 witnesses examined. And the interesting fact is that since 17/24, I moved the bail and petition before the learned court below. Since 24 January, I am in custody due to this technical lapses.
14/9/2023, you have been there in jail.
Yes, my lord.
Right of petitioner, earlier the petitioner intention of allegation in the FIR also. Earlier, the petitioner approached this court by filing the BLAPL number 12598 of 2023. This court by order dated this court by order dated 9/11/2023 allowed the bail application of the petitioner. However, things were subject to verification of where is that?
Page number 36, para number 8, my lord.
Subject to verification of where is that?
Para number the let the petitioner
Where? 8,
page number 36, my lord.
36.
36.
36. 36. Yes. Which one?
Para number 8.
8. Which condition?
Let the petitioner Kutisai be released on bail by the learned court below in session over the matter, subject to verification of the criminal antecedents in Odisha, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh.
Subject to verification of criminal in Odisha, Telangana,
And Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. It appears from the record that the police, despite effort, could not obtain the antecedents of the petitioner on all the 3 states. And therefore, the petitioner moved another application before this court, which is in modification of its earlier order dated 9/11/2023. 23. Inter alia contending that he has been in custody since 14/9/2023. Yes, the police could not verify the origin of the petitioner from the 3 different states. Despite the bail order, he has not been released yet. Now, while hearing the said applications for modification of the clarification, this coordinated bench of this court directed the petitioner to renew the bail fee before the trial court. Pursuant thereto, the petitioner moved before the trial court an application for release. Very that
Page number
rejection order?
58, Annex 5.
By the order dated, impugn order dated 8/4/2026, will be applicable to response for the petition further submits that the recovery of contraband is 21 kg.
21
kg. 21 kg. And he has been in since 14/9/2023, and the trial is proceeding in its main stage. Hence, he is entitled to bail. So let's see then for the petitioner, although not controverted the aforementioned fact, but submit that since the petitioner is from an Telangana, from the state of Telangana, even this petitioner is being on bail, she shall be directed for his at least one local security, 50,000. Yes. Yes, yes.
27.
It's a matter under 302, CD would be required.
Okay, call for CD, yes. Call for CD. 26, call for CD, yes.
27.
27. 27, na? 27 you are talking about?
Yes, sir.
No, 26 you sought for. 27 you sought for ID. Possible. I'm calling for CD, huh? Yes. Yes.
28.
302 mileage.
CD तो असना है जो deposition আছে
Asini.
In
28.
20th, the second round of litigation. The first round of litigation, Honorable Court was directed to move afresh after examination of the informant's daughter. Their version is at page 13 and 16. They are eyewitness. They are supported in deposition also.
Land dispute belong both
But
dispute
the
and the
eyewitnesses are the
petitioner
page
belong to
13
one
while
company.
this place.
I have annexed my lord.
Which she submitted to renew the victory.
Page my lord.
Page 13.
The examination of informant's daughter.
Yes.
And who is the informant's daughter? PW?
PW2. PW1 is the informant. PW2 is the informant's daughter.
Yes.
I'll place the
What?
PW1 first.
Yes.
May I?
The
The
relevant part.
relevant. Yes, sir.
Tara?
The incident at about 11, paragraph 2, at about 11 a.m. in front of my house near Tubel, accused assaulted my husband by means of bill hook, dowry, to his neck, for which he sustained cut and bleeding injury on his neck. My daughter went to rescue while assaulting, and she interfered to separate the accused and my husband. She sustained cut injury on her left hand. Then and this is the and PW2 page 16, Your Lordship. I'll read the relevant portion. Paragraph 2, 4 lines from the top. So my father moved from that place. At that time, the accused Vishnu Oram assaulted to my father by means of a dowli, for which my father fell down on the ground. Saying this, I rushed to the spot and saw. They have supported the
Custody since?
2024. 2024.
Date.
Custody my lord 27/6/2024.
There are other eyewitnesses are there to be examined. other
But
matter witnesses are there.
307, all witnesses have been examined.
It's not 307, 302.
Something told to
307 FIR.
Nahi,
It's
FR
a
307.
Died. Or
He
died.
died.
Oh.
Right.
So
So
302.
some guys were expert. Both are belong to so one family. A land dispute.
Wait for some time. I thought 307.
No, it's a 302, Your Lordship.
Because
Lordship, adjourn it or dispose it?
After vacation. I'm not rejecting after vacation. Also.
Well,
Yes. After vacation, also.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
29,
Yes, sir.
22, 20B, 2C. Two persons are there. They are
220
coming.
kg. 220.
Kilo.
CD and COD.
CD. CD and
Next one week after.
CD. Yes, next.
30,
My lord, 1 week after.
Not 1 week after. We'll see the date. 200 something, some kilo.
220.
220 kilo. What will be there? After vacation. Yes, next.
30 minor kindly adjourn.
Huh?
Adjourn.
Seeking an adjournment.
Well,
Okay. After vacation. Yes.
31,
May it please. I may kindly be permitted to appear on behalf of Mr. L. Achari.
Sorry.
I may be kindly permitted to appear on behalf of Mr. L. Achari. I don't have power. Allegation under section 25(1)A and 25(1)B for possessing a gun without license, without holding a license. Is in custody since 4/3/26.
4-3.
26. In the meantime, charge sheet has already been filed on 30/4/2026. And the rejection order reveals that there is no antecedent of petition number 1. Petition number 2 has one antecedent.
Technical condition which you fix.
After investigation, charge sheet has already been filed on 3C petitioner is in custody since 4/3/2026. Petitioner the petitioner has no criminal negligence, which also reflects in the order rejection order dated. Order
Well, 33/2026.
33/2026 passed by the trial court while rejected the interview of the petitioner regarding to the nature of allegation, so on, so period of question. Done. Yes.
Good.
32,
Yes, sir.
Well, 82 kg contraband ganja was recovered from the possession while the petition was
30,
transporting the
How much?
80 kg, around
80.
79 kg somewhat, 80 kg. While he was taking the vehicle, and trial commenced. In the meantime, in custody since 2002.
He's a man from Madhya Pradesh and he's having 1 CA. Let there be an affidavit to that effect.
Similar antecedent.
One antecedent
One
from Madhya
similar
Pradesh.
nature.
Since he's from
No,
Madhya
since
Pradesh. let them.
2025 in custody, my lord. Independent witnesses have been out of 32 witnesses have 11 witnesses have been examined. Independent witnesses have been examined. They all found hostile. They are not supported.
You file an
One-
affidavit and place it on record. I grant.
That is, I have given the case.
No, I file an affidavit, comprehensive affidavit. Who will be your local surety? Disclose and you disclose your permanent address. And I'll grant. Okay.
Next week, Narsima fix. I will.
Before vacation only. Let's see. Huh?
I'm
That's
submitting
what
the copy of the
last-
deposition to my sister, my lord.
So witnesses have not supported.
Witnesses have not supported. The ultimately will be.
Attendance ensure is your
Yes, that is what I am saying. That is the reason I am asking you.
Yes, your lord. See, direct that local surety.
No. You give affidavit. You give affidavit. File an
Local
affidavit
surety and
disclosing your
testimony.
permanent address, phone number, and everything, and who will be your local surety, everything. So that immediately I'll record it and release you.
Next week, I will
Next
submit
week
it.
only. That's what I'm saying. Yes.
33,
Petitioner's implication.
It's
basing of-
exactly the same thing happened that Andhra and
Yes, sir.
Telangana.
Yes.
If you would have asked for affidavit,
Then this complication.
it would have been
not
much easier. It's better that you ask for an affidavit. Yes.
My lord, the petitioner's implication.
33.
33,
My lord, the petitioner's implication basing upon the statement of the co-accused and from whom possession ganja was seized, they were on bail. Now the kindly see page 11 of the FIR, my lord.
11.
Page 11 FIR starts.
Yes.
On being asked, they disclose their name and identity as Sudas Kumar Khote, son of so and so.
Where are you reading, sir?
My lord, page 11 FIR, my lord.
Uh,
Written FIR.
yes.
Plain paper.
Where is that? Instant surrender to Which lines?
Uh,
It is such a big fire. 25.
25 my lord. 25th line. On being asked, they 27. On being disclosed, the name and identity as Santosh Kumar Khetty, son of so-and-so Polsara, District Ganjam. S. Prasad Rao, Srinivas Rao, Barampur. Aruna Kumar Nanda, person second line, Barampur. They disclose the name and identity of the other persons. Is Bharat Bera. Bharat Bera is the present petitioner.
And Krishna Chandra.
Madam. And the madam kindly have a glance to the order passed by this Honorable Court.
Yes, what is
Annexed 3C.
Basis of the my disclosure statement, he has been implicated. That is.
And those those who have been apprehended, they are already released.
Yes, no CA,
No.
no criminal act.
Petitioner. Okay, how many petitioners? Two.
You one.
One.
Petitioner. Huh?
One.
One.
Madam.
Petitioner is getting allegation. Mr. Pandal and counsel drawing my attention to the FIR submits that three persons were arrested. Santosh Kumar,
Santosh Khote, S. Prasad Rao, Aruna Kumar Nanda.
three persons were apprehended from the spot along with the contraventions. What is the amount?
Quantity is 82.80 grams.
2 grams. They further disclose the name of the present petitioner Arun Kumar. Na? What is his name?
Bharat Chandra Behera.
Bharat Chandra Behera and
Only one.
Only one.
Nani. They disclose two names, Bharat and
Now they disclose the name and identity of other person, that is Bharata Behera, who managed to escape.
and Krishna. No, Bharata is Bharata, son of Krishna. Bharata. They disclose the name of Bharat. Mr. Panda further drawing my attention to the order dated all the three orders are there. Four orders. S. Prasad order is 6/5/2022 in BLAP number 4243 of 2021. And Santosh Khote order is 22/6/2022. BLAPL number 8645 of 2021. And Arun Kumar Nanda's bail application is 4244 of 2021, order dated 29/6/2022. Submits that the accused persons who have been arrested from the spot along with the contraband have already been enlarged on bail. So therefore, the petitioner went into grant of lawsuit on the ground of parity regarding yes to the information granted. Yes. Custody since 4/6/25.
Custody 5/25.
5 bar. Okay. Yes.
34.
34.
My lord, 54(1) is there, my lord. Here there is required.
Solve for yes. Solve for
Yes.
yes.
35.
My lord, so before vacation.
Yes.
My lord, 35 matter. It is a Belgium matter, my lord. Petitioner was earlier bail on Honorable High Court, my lord.
2013
Bail,
FIR. When bail was granted?
Bail, my lord, 2013, my lord. 37, 2013.
Then you escaped. When you got arrested then?
Arrested, my lord, 9/3/2026.
Huh?
9/3/2026.
Does not, my lord, sir. Trial.
How many years?
Split up, my lord, again.
2013 to
Trial has been split up in the share they absconded. After getting the
better you remain so that trial will be over after the
No, allegation is nothing, my lord.
allegation, forget about that. You got the bail from this High Court and you absconded for more than 13 years. For you, the entire system is burden. Wait, at least the trial will happen after vacation.
36.
Custody for more than 4 years, 302, based on circumstantial evidence. 20 witnesses have been examined. None of them have supported, nor lasting theory, nor my lord, the weapon of offense have been supported.
Supply that copy of the deposition so that.
Do you have the
Tomorrow?
20 witnesses.
You have,
Day after.
give,
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବି ଦଉଛି
The last.
give 2 copies, give 1, give 2. Read it and tell me tomorrow.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟୁମୋରୋ ଆସୁ
ହଁ
ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
Day after.
ହଉ ଦିଅ।
ଆରେ ଆପଣ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ କରିଦେଇ ପଢି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଦେଇଦବ ବେଲ୍ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ।
ଏବଂ ରିଜେକ୍ସନ ହେଇଛି
Is circumstantial evidence first of all. 2 years custody. None of the witnesses have.
more than 4 years.
Then
And another thing, my lord, the rejection is
shall I pass it over?
Tomorrow.
See if you tomorrow.
the rejection होची the death is homicide.
Maybe homicide is what?
যদি কিছু circumstance থান্তা তাহলে তার
Leading to a discovery that weapon is.
No, maybe there, but have you,
There are no
could you prove it? Witnesses are not supporting what to do.
Well, I will verify that statement, but there is a last.
Tomorrow you read it.
হ্যাঁ টুমোরো আসু
Yes, 4 years somebody is there in custody.
more than 4 years এটা নিয়ন্তু আଜ୍ଞା
কালি দিয়ে দেবে 63
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଦେଖି
ନା ନା ସେଇଟା ନେଇଯାଏ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା କୋର୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଆଣିଛି
37.
37 my lord disproportionate asset
I have sought for instructions likely to come within a day or two. Next week may kindly be taken.
Why are this kind of it?
Lastly, may kindly have a glance to running page 17.
That's right, but in these kind of cases, generally you should not arrest. These are accounting system. She will account, otherwise you go to jail after conviction.
More than
Why you
337%.
Maybe.
So I have sought for instruction and
You have been look 200-300% also. 37 only. Right, petitioner is custody since.
2 4
then my objection, objection may kindly be.
Of course, you do your job. 2 2
2 4 26 more than 1
4 26 ठीक है. Declared accused in so case allegation against me with disproportionate Mr. Sanjay Das preparing for you takes one time to get everything instruction and at the same time the opposes delay. Wait, the petitioner is in custody since 2/4/2026. Since the case is entirely based on documentary evidence, retaining the petitioner in the custody is a futile effort by the prosecution, and I'm inclined to grant bail, grant this case. All documentary evidence you collect and do whatever you want.
ତ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଜ୍ଞା ନେଇ ସାରିଛନ୍ତି
ଏମିତି ମାନେ
ଯେତେ ଜରୁରୀ ହୁଏ ତାଠୁ ଡବଲ ନେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ରାଜ୍ୟ-
ଯାହାହେଲେ ଘର ଛୁଆଙ୍କର ମେଟ୍ରିକ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଇଏ ସବୁ ବି ଉଠେଇକି ନେଇଯିବେ
ଏମିତି ଉପାୟରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅର୍ଜିତ କଲେ ରାଜ୍ୟଟା ବି କୋଉଦିନ ନଥିବ.
ଯୋଉମାନେ ବଡ
So my objection may kindly.
I have
And he is to appear before the IO at the time of investigation.
investigation is not complete.
complete
No,
ସବିତ ନାହିଁ
2/4 ରେ
Okay, since investigation is still, but you filed the charge sheet not after 20 years. Okay.
no, charge sheet is going on. Direction has been given to file.
In DA cases, what you do, you know that.
No, recently
There
direction
are
has
instances 10 years, 13 years, 15 years, charge sheets are not.
No, in the quarterly meeting, as per the decision of your lordship, director has given the direction that as
I
soon
have
as
watched many FIRs on that ground.
your lordship decision has been reported decision. After that, director has given to all the investigative officers to file the charge sheet as soon as possible.
That as soon as possible is the only problem. You have to fix time, 1 year, 6 months, something. So that some pressure would be there.
So in the quarterly meeting, direction has been given as soon as possible.
Since the investigation is still going on, the petitioner will
What happens, my lord, in the DA cases, the check period, during the check period, the entire period where he served, his income is sought for, where his children studied, all the expenditures are being sought for, and the assets in different places of the state. From the respective sub-registered officer, it is
then reduce the check period and do it. If you can't, why you have
So it is time
other check period, then you have a problem in investigation.
So the time taken from the date of his joining service till the date of house search, it is being taken. So there will be
ଯାକ ଏଫଆଇଆର ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
Yes. So, yes.
38.
38, may I please, your lordship? My lord, there is an allegation of creating the mule account, my lord. The present petitioner, there is.
CD is there?
If there is there 7 numbers of antecedent.
That's the problem, madam.
My lord,
Mule account now, these are.
Another, there is also being arrested in that case is remanded in this case. In that case, which is arrested, already granted bail.
Where is that bail?
My lord, that with me, my.
How many cases are there? You file affidavit, comprehensive affidavit, disclosing everything, huh?
Yes.
Let him file a comprehensive affidavit, disclosing incident and status of all the cases, huh? And in which case you got bail and everything, huh?
Mine.
39.
Before vacation. Mature.
Yes.
35 kilo of ganja.
Huh?
35 kilo of ganja. And first time offender, my lord. If your lordship go to the FIR,
Custody since?
my lord, custody since 24 to 2026.
24 to 20. Yes.
Having no criminal entity.
CD is there?
39. No criminal entity.
And CD is not.
Call for CD. I'll have to grant bail.
35 कौन लगा?
35 तो ठीक है
ଆଉ
commercial
ଖାଲି
content without seeking.
ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ପଢୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା.
FIR.
ହଁ ସେଇ page 8 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ. Page 8 ରେ from the bottom my lord 6th line driver is coming out. 1 2 3 4
From the past experience, I am.
driver is coming out from the vehicle was trembling with fear my lord. और तेणु first time offender बोली से थरुला घर बोली police
Now you have experience. Once the bail is granted, you will start doing it.
ଆଉ sir second ହଉନାହାନ୍ତି କାରଣ bail ମିଳୁନି ଆଉ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି.
Call for CD. List it next week. Huh? Good. Next week. And you file an affidavit also.
I have written my lord, no criminal like.
Outside now to?
नहीं नहीं.
हाँ ठीक है. Formally let the CD
नहीं
come.
बहुत है.
Formally let the CD come then.
Right.
Yes.
Item 40.
40 मेरा ना after vacation.
After vacation.
41.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, the petitioner is custody since 22/3/26 lordship. For alias
22?
office of 302 lordship.
22, 3.
22/3/26 lordship.
Yes.
Earlier, the petitioner was granted regular bail by this honorable court on order dated on BLAPL number 6941 of 2029. Sorry,
4/12/19.
4/12/19 lordship.
Yes.
The order is
Okay.
at fact B lordship. On the basis, as no steps taken by the petitioner, NBW has been issued at the stage of framing of charge. Now, charge
When NBW issued?
NBW issued on but the petitioner have arrested 22/3/26.
23.
22/3/26. 26. And arrested?
Same day, Lord.
Same day.
Lordship.
Same day NBW issued some there.
It has been mentioned in rejection, Lordship.
You be ready with the dates at least.
The case has committed to Sessions Court on.
I am asking something when NBW was issued.
That is not there in the.
Get the instruction. Password. Next.
42.
And I need to know whether, see, 2019 the bail is granted, whether immediately you absconded or you participated in the proceeding for some time. That's what.
May I please your lordship? There's an intermediate quantity, your lordship. 21B, custody since 9th January 2026.
9 January?
2026, your lordship.
142 gram of
no,
brown sugar.
140 gram of brown sugar. There is no criminal incident I have already pleaded. I have pleaded.
140 gram.
It is intermediate quantity, not commercial quantity.
Antecedent?
No, I have already pleaded in my paragraph 7.
Right. In
Paragraph 7.
Para 7 of the
No similar criminal entity.
drawing the attention of this court to para 7 of the petition. Mr. Devedi submits that petitioner has no criminal entity.
No criminal intent of similar nature.
Similar, similar type. The recovery is 141 or 40 gram of brown sugar, custody from 9/1/2026 regarding to the quantity of ganja recovered, period of custody, granted, yes. 43, similar. Subject to verification of similar,
Similar. I have already,
yes.
May please. Here, 39 kg, 310 grams of ganja.
30?
39 kg, 310 grams of ganja, my lord, which are seized from
It
the.
is there.
There are two matters, my lord. The sub item from their possession, ganja has been seized.
Let the CD come because commercial quantity is expensive.
And president, no antecedent mal before vacation.
Yes. No antecedent CD before vacation. No? I just found. Item 44.
May I please? Here, my lord, the informant has alleged that he has kept his Bolero vehicle besides his house, my lord. Here, my lord, the informant has alleged that he has kept his vehicle besides his house. And after some time, he heard the starting sound of his Bolero, my lord. And when he came out, he saw that some persons have took away his vehicle, my lord. Here, my lord, after 3 days, the vehicle has been.
17 and 18.
My lord, he was not arrested on the spot, my lord. The case
Whatever.
actually murder nahi ki, my lord.
File affidavit, comprehensive affidavit. Disclosing.
Including
Starter.
NDCS Act.
Huh?
Including NDCS Act.
That's the problem. File affidavit.
45.
Comprehensive. Yes.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes. No. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. My lord, the allegation that the present petitioner coming with a car and put petrol in the vehicle and thereafter filled up 3 jerrycans, and when the informant asked for the money, they fled away from the spot.
8 criminal incident. One toy gun seized from the possession of the petitioner. As he petrol tank, the petrol fill kale.
These people, they are history teachers basically.
They should remain.
File affidavit.
Fine.
Comprehensive affidavit.
Mallard?
Comprehensive affidavit, letter file affidavit.
46.
Here, 21B and 29 of NDPS Act, my lord. 22 gram has been seized from this petitioner. There are three accused persons, my lord. Here, my lord, one petitioner.
Antecedents.
Antecedents are there.
Not obtained. Case date not.
Get the case. Antecedent is there, that's the problem.
CD asu. Brown sugar case is rampant.
Yes, next.
My lord,
47.
kept it before.
Yes, 47, next.
47, my lord. There are 2 petitioners, my lord. From the first, nothing has been seized, and from the sub item,
50 gram cheese, but antecedent case date not.
Antecedent first ro nahi kiछि lekha heichi. Pratham na kiछि siege in that.
How much is the recovery?
50 grams from sub item. So co-accused person.
The
From
Hon'Ble
the-
Baliyar Singh,
हाँ.
Hon'Ble Baliyar Singh position, no brown sugar seized. He was with the Santosh Kumar Baliyar Singh.
Anil Baliyar Singh, no, nothing.
Nothing has been
seized. But he was with the Santosh Baliyar Singh. Both were coming, police is.
Santosh is the second matter.
Second item.
The second item Santosh, from possession of Santosh 50 gram.
50 grams.
Yes. Criminal incident not.
Criminal antecedent ପ୍ରଥମଟା ନା ତାରଟା ସେଟାରୁ ପ୍ରଥମଟା କିଛି ନାହିଁ କି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ବି rejection order.
I am not obtained the case date. Case date.
In so far as the first is concerned, no recovery at grant.
Yes, yes, your lordship.
Second application. Okay, right now. First, Anil Baliyar Singh, that is 3950. Allegation against the FIR is also. Mr. Vandipe and the counsel of the petitioner submits that from the present petitioner no contraband seized. It is as per the prosecution's version 50 grams.
50 grams.
50 grams of brown sugar is recovered from one.
50 gram brown sugar.
Santosh Kumar Baliyar Singh.
28,400 cash. Self proceed.
Cash is recovered from him.
From Santosh.
Along with cash of rupees 28,400 from Santosh. And he further submits that the present petitioner has no criminal antecedents. Have you said that in anywhere in the petition?
But in the page 16 here itself has been written. Page 16 of the rejection order.
Okay.
The second paragraph.
Which is also
He has no criminal antecedent.
which is also reflected in the imbue order. Imbue order dated 7/4/2026. He is in custody since.
My question 4/4/2026.
4/4/2026.
Man 15 दिन है मैंने
But nothing is that not being made to the period of custody. There is no compromise from the petitioner and he has no criminal antecedent. I am inclined to have the speech. However, in so far as the other accused concerned,
Santosh Kumar Baliyar Singh.
After vacation. Yes.
Said after the let's see.
Yes, after CD after vacation. Yes, next.
58.
TD.
Yes, my
Call.
lord.
After vacation.
After vacation. Okay, after vacation.
49.
Similar.
Cyber
Petitioner.
fraud. I have not obtained the case diary.
For a moment, I have annexed a charge sheet for a moment.
Let him get this. Okay?
Before, all the offences are tribal by magistrate before vacation.
Before vacation. Okay, yes.
Charge sheet ta file कर दीजिए.
Yes, next.
50.
50 and 50 kind pass over.
It will come immediately. Yes.
51.
Also 51 minor.
51 also, pass over. Yes.
52.
May it please your lordship. My lord, in this case, your lordship is very peculiar that 5 months after the alleged incident, the FIR is lost. Your lordship may consider 4/1/2025, he is alleging that we set fire to her house and she is lodging the FIR on 23/6. 5
Now,
months
when the incident?
4/1/2025.
4/1/25.
Absolutely, my lord, concocted. And
FIR
she
is
is on
FIR is
23/6.
1 minute.
23/6.
1 minute. 23/6/25.
Two groups are there, your lordship.
25. Yes.
They killed my brother. I lodged an FIR on 5/1/2025. So because I lodged an FIR on 5/1/2025 alleging that is Sundargarh town.
5/1/25 FIR by you.
FIR by me,
you.
my lord. Since 5/1/2025, I lodged the FIR alleging that they have killed my brother. Now that is the reason, your lordship, they are lodging an FIR. My FIR is, your lordship, that is Sundargarh town PS case number 5, dated 5/1/2025.
I'm sorry. Have you filed it?
Not,
No,
I
I have
have
got.
not verified that.
Huh?
I have not verified that.
I have got original
And in
certificate
this
copy.
case, my lord, even though the occurrence was took place on 4/1/2025 and the affair was lodged on 23/6/2025, the accused person are so rowdy, the informant and the छोट छुआ धरिकी बाहर पड़े अन्य माने जहाँ घरे मतलब
Absolutely, my lord, concocted.
What are the
when
allegations?
you are submitting, I remain silent.
Yes, my submission is that, your lordship, it is alleged that we tried to set fire to their house. Your lordship may kindly see, not a single line stated as to why she waited for 5 months, and only 5/1/2025 when my brother has been killed, I lost the affair. This is a counterblast. Your lordship may kindly see, in a similar matter, my lord has granted me bail. In a similar another case, because they are going on filing cases against me. Your lordship may kindly see the order. In a very similar matter, same affair, 6 months after it is lost, same allegations. Your lordship granted bail. That is the
FIR verify karibi. And in this case, my lord,
we are in custody since
If you have
25.
all document, if you have Mr. Mishra, why don't you file it? And obviously he'll ask for time for verification. You can't, give the papers by surprise to the other side.
Bail I got the bail very recently, 2 days
Give it
before.
and take it up day after.
And that apart, my lord, petition number 1 has 8 criminal antecedent and petition number 2 has 15 criminal antecedent. Very
true.
Innocent person.
My lord, the case wherein accused persons were
File the
granted
document along with the comprehensive affidavit.
My lord, the accused persons who were in bail granted, they were having 10 criminal antecedent also. Not in the involvement in
That's
this
right.
case.
You in the affidavit you say that so that it will be easier. Huh?
Your lordship,
And
call
see,
it day after
but there are
tomorrow.
5, Mr. Naik. 6 months after.
This is the circumstance.
And the problem is the FIR is registered by them under 302 in between. That is in January 25.
Here, my lord, I have to examine who is the informant, how he is connected.
You just check it up. See, in 4/1/2025, the incident takes place. On the very next day, an FIR is registered by them under 302. You didn't act upon that. And you remain for about 5 months thereafter a FIR comes.
My lord, the informant is Dileshwari Sunna. She is a
Just
lady.
take it up. That is what their case is.
And his her wife is, husband is Jayanan Ghasi.
How they are related, just check it up.
I'll file everything I'll file by tomorrow.
Document.
Yes, I'll file everything by tomorrow.
Let it be on 11th. 11th. Now just
Yes,
give it
yes.
now so that you
Yes,
have,
yes, my
don't
lord,
waste
I'll give
time,
it. Yes.
You
My lord,
just
may call it
verify
on-
and tell me.
Yes.
You have to explain the delay of long. It's yes.
Your lordship is calling out an 11, my lord.
11th. Yes.
My lord, okay.
53.
My lord. So there is no custody, my lord, 6/7/24. 6/7/24.
24. 24/7.
6/7/24.
112 kg, 50 gram ganja, did not receive the case time.
CD call for CD after case. Yes. Next.
54.
54, my lord, this bail application has been filed for release of the petitioner for treatment, my lord, for medical operation, my lord. Now he has been admitted to SCB medical college.
Can you just verify?
My lord, in this case, the petitioner was released on interim bail on 8/9/2022, absconded. Thereafter, he seek application for extension of that interim order that was extended. He surrendered, again absconded on 10/7/2023. NBW was issued on 2/8/2023. Arrested on 26.
Yes, 54, na?
Yes, 54.
54, my lord, I have filed this application.
No, that's right, but you have been repeatedly absconding.
No, my lord, your lordship.
Do we have to taste the
dates?
Yes, my lord.
From record only he speaks.
Yes, yes.
He doesn't have any personal knowledge about you.
And it is reflected in the rejection order.
OPID is appearing in this case. State is not.
No, state.
Your lordship.
Why are you absconding every time you get?
No, my lord.
Why are you absconding?
And interestingly, my lord, lower court was moved for piles. The disease is piles. Now prayer is for ligament. Your lordship may kindly see annexure 4.
Manufacturing, your conduct is so bad.
3 year
if you are
absconded.
entitled to bail, you will not get.
3 year absconded.
Your lordship may call it Monday, my lord.
I'll call it Monday, but how will you get over this?
No, my lord, your lordship may kindly see annexure 4. my lord.
Files has become legal.
Now it has been,
Yeah.
my lord,
And
that for
files
ligament.
interim bail granted, you evaporated.
No, my lord, I deposited 20 lakhs before this.
That's a different story altogether. You are asking for interim bail, why the court will trust
For
you?
treatment, my lord, not for.
Treatment, just see, by files has become.
No, my lord, thereafter, my lord, the ligament tear, my lord, the orthopedic department.
Not such a big problem. They will take care of you. Don't worry.
No, my lord.
Why are you?
Your lordship may say.
Verify it. Verify.
After hele to ligament tear heyi heyijibo.
Verify. He filed it. Affidavit. Verify.
Already I.
Verify.
After vacation. No, my lord, now next Monday.
Not Monday. The Monday is not possible. It's not so urgent.
Now
21st, 22nd, 24th. We'll see before vacation. We'll try to accommodate. He will give a date by looking into the diary. Huh? He'll give a date definitely. Don't worry.
55.
Malad. 24 kg of ganja, malad. The first offender. No antecedent whatsoever.
Custody.
Custody 10/3/2026. I have not received the case diary commercial quantity.
Get
24.
Get the after before vacation could go. When case diary. Call for case diary.
Malad fixing.
Yeah, I'll give a date.
Before vacation, malad.
Before vacation only. 24 kilo only. First time offender.
56.
56, my lord. 21B, 22A, 29 of NDPS Act, 16.90 gram of brown sugar, my lord. And the present antecedent kahar kichhi bhi nahi.
Petition number 1 has 1 criminal antecedent. Petition number 2 has
similar
1
nine.
antecedent to similar.
Similar antecedent nahi. I'm filing
And a
affidavit.
brown sugar case.
Filing
brown sugar case.
Affidavit ta file karon to mu tar objection ta do.
Verify.
Antecedent nahi boli lekhi chanum to tar.
No, mu lekhi similar antecedent nahi.
Affidavit.
Similar
Disclosure the criminal evidence. Mr. Naik have received the copy of the affidavit. So at least 1 week time to verify the same. Release the matter on from. Yes. File it. He'll verify it. Yes.
57.
And before vacation. 57, my lord. 12 kg of ganja.
Ganja belongs to Maharashtra.
Maharashtra outsider.
Outside of
My lord.
Affidavit.
I'm filing affidavit.
Disclosing the permanent address. Local.
Yeah, I'm stating petition number 1 has no antecedent of similar nature.
File affidavit. Let him verify. You will see copy of the same has been served upon the council of the state. We shall verify the reported. Yes. Next.
Before vacation,
58. Yes, 58.
376.
Yes.
376.
My lord, here case is that
Statement is not available.
Envelope. What are the allegations?
My lord, last 12 years, the victim was staying in the house of the present petitioner. The present petitioner is the uncle, my lord, Pisha of the victim, your lordship. On 10/12/2025, the petitioner called the father of the victim to his house and requested him to take back her. Or else I will consume poison, your lordship. Thereafter, the father of the victim took the victim with him, your lordship. After 2 months, your lordship.
What is the age of this girl?
30 years, your lordship.
30 years.
My lord.
30 years.
My lord, after 2 months, your lordship, the father of the victim lodged the fact that the victim narrated before him that the petitioner, his son, and his son-in-law were keeping physical relationship with her. My lord, after 2 months, your lordship. This is totally false case, your lordship. He left the house on 10/12/2025 and lodged this affair, your lordship.
They are staying in the
On
house of the uncle.
11/2/2026.
I understand, but the uncle said that asked her father to take her back, and she went.
My lord.
Thereafter, it was found that
After 2 months, your lordship. ନେଇକି ଗଲା ପରେ 3 ମାସ ପରେ ଯାଇ
when the medical checkup, then it come out that
But
pregnancy
he
is there.
he has not complained anywhere. Madam, petitioner is accused and so on. Okay, allegation against the petitioner so on. It is contended by the counsel for the petition that the victim girl who is 30 years old, sir,
30 years.
30 years of age, has been staying with the petitioner, who is an uncle, who is her uncle, for about
12 years.
12 years. On 10/12/2025, the petitioner asked the father of the victim girl to take her back. Accordingly, the father of the petitioner took her back. Subsequently, after 2 months, the present FIR has been filed, making an allegation that the victim girl is pregnant, pregnant, and the petitioner is responsible, is guilty for the same, guilty for the same. Regarding to nature of allegation and custody.
My lord, 33/2026.
33/2026.
26.
May I plead your thing?
25 kg ganja.
25 kg of ganja.
25 kg of ganja.
25 kg.
It is not available.
Charge sheet submitted on 27/2/26, my lord. Corporate since 9/1/26.
9/1/26. Charge sheet on?
Charge sheeted on 27/2/26, my lord. I have annexed 2.
What about antecedents?
No antecedent.
Where the CD? And the CD and the
No antecedent, my lord. This honorable court granted liberty to move after submission of charge sheet, my lord. I mentioned.
CD, let the CD and antecedent.
That's sorted, my lord.
Sorted in the before which. 60.
And the allegation is the petitioner possesses 4 kg 900 gram ganja.
4 kg.
4 kg 900 gram.
Custody since?
And yes, custody 9/3/2026.
9/3/2026.
No, 25 kg ganja. The rejection order.
25 my lord, 3 persons.
3 person is
I have running page 16, my lord. The FIR.
My lord, page
16.
19.
16.
What is your name? Your name is Dilip Tripathi.
Dilip.
Yes. So
Running page 16, they have waited to enter and mention there.
Injon Jaco railway station रे बसले तंको सेट सीजे ला that page 19 that is rejection
let
order.
us see 16 what it says.
Yes, page 16.
Yes.
Serial number 1, Dilip Tripathi, kg 4 kg 900 grams.
Where you are reading 16?
Page 16, 16.
Yes. 16, okay.
Yes. Statement of ganja at the top. Serial number 1, that is Dilip Kumar, Dilip Tripathi.
To containing 1 packet of Dilip Kumar, 5 kg 200 grams.
Net weight 4 kg 900 grams. And another person was
11 kilo and Rajiv, SK Rajiv 11 kilo.
Yes.
Total 25.
Total 25 kg.
Antecedent?
Antecedent so far as my lord, Thanet Port below has told that no antecedent.
Where is that? Have you said in the petition that you?
Yes, yes.
Where have you said?
I have said, my lord. In Para.
Para? Where have you?
Yeah, Para 8.
8, have you said that?
Para 8.
Fail to appreciate that
The petition has no pendant.
Right of. Petitioner is accused in allegation in petitioner. In para, drawing my attention to para 8 for the petition, that counsel for the petition submits that petitioner has been criminal. He has also drawn the attention of his court to the FIR. The FIR, wherein it is that from his position, 4 kilo 900 grams of ganja has been recovered. Whereas from going to SK Mustaqim. 11 kilo, 10 gram has been recovered. And from SK Raji, 10 kg, 200 of coconut and the present case, hence in the present case, the total net weight of ganja recovered is about 25 kilo, 200. He is in custody since 9/3/2026. Regarding head to the period of custody, the quantity of contraband recovered from the particular business and the declaration that he has no criminal antecedents plan to grant him. Yes.
61.
May I please, there are similar.
61, my lord, we are sending the letter. They are filing the affidavit. We are sending the letter to the IAS, but we are not received the report.
ମୁଁ ତ ଭାବିବାକୁ କହୁଛି ମୋର 6ଟା କେସ୍ 5ଟା ବେଲ୍ ପାଇଛି।
And she verify the order is that order is to be
They are saying, but we are not attaching, they are in
the order
file in document.
30/4/2026 has not been complied. The state council seeks 1 week time for compliance of the same. Release the matter on 15th. Yes.
କୋଆଟୁଡ୍ କୁ also minor ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାର ବି ଇଏ ଖାଲି ମିଳିଲା acquisition illegal transportation
But there is an order, it has to be complied. Abruptly, I pass an order without
ମୁଁ
compliance.
ଯୋଉଦିନ ସେଇଦିନ କୋର୍ଟରେ ବି ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଅର୍ଡରରେ ବି ଲେଖିଥିଲି।
Complied. Otherwise, I'll have to grant. I'll record that it is not complied. After giving opportunity, I'll grant bail.
They are already sent the letter.
This is last. I can't keep on
Yes, my
trying.
last time.
Bail matter can't be heard twice, thrice. If you want to give bail or reject it. As simple as that. What hearing for this?
62.
62.
Neighbors, my lord. 307 is there, my lord, and meantime charge sheet has been submitted.
Show me the injury. Show me the injury.
Ma'am, last occasion I have filed the affidavit. The petition has no antecedent. ma'am.
Injury.
And
Lacerated wound. Simple. All simple. All simple. Right. This need a quick phone. The on 21/4/2026, the city of was called for, and Council for the State is produced the JD. The result of the injury report of Prakash Patra. Who is the informant? Prakash Patra?
Yes, sir.
Informant. Just see who is Prakash Patra is the informant. No, Sasmita Patra.
Sasmita Patra, wife of
the wife of the informant reveals that he has obtained simple injury. Petitioner is in custody since?
Custody since 10/12/2025.
10/12/25.
Charge sheet on 14/3.
Charge sheet on
14/3/2026.
14/3/26. Charge sheet has been filed regarding the nature of allegation in period of custody, and the charge sheet has already been filed. And he has also filed an affidavit on who has filed the affidavit?
The
father of
the
the petitioner has also filed an affidavit dated 22/4/2026, 22/4/2026, that the petitioner has no criminal. Yes.
63.
63 was just one person. One person.
Okay.
My lord, from last occasion, my lordship directed to file the short note regarding the antecedent as well as I feel like next week because we are not prepared, we are right.
The same thing for you. 29/4/26 order has not been complied. State council seeks the last opportunity to release the matter. Look at now. What is now?
64, my lord, 51 kg, 200 grams. Also posted for filing comprehensive affidavit. The petitioner's younger brother has shown affidavit, my lord, having no criminal antecedent. And
Status of the trial?
Contraband ganja is seized from the backside of his house.
Last order was to
Yes.
obtain instruction, status of the
I've
trial.
given the copy of the
criminal antecedent.
some of the antecedent.
What is the status of the trial?
Given the copy of the some of the witnesses, your lordship has directed. And further, my lord,
Rajiv Malik and Ranjit Malik, they are not examined.
Jaga Ghoru Bahara, it's a prosecution case is that a contraband ganja, this is the FIR allegation. They got information that some in the jungle, some contraband ganja has been stored. When they reached the spot, they found that one person fled away. Thereafter, contraband ganja was one packet was found from the backside of the house of the petitioner. That is the matter. This is the case, prosecution case.
The villager Rajiv Malik and Ranjit Malik.
Have you seen it?
Yes, I've given the copy last occasion.
When?
They did.
Have you read it?
Yes, I have seen that, but the vital witnesses Rajiv Malik and Ranjit Malik, they are the co-villagers.
How they are vital?
Yes, my lord. May I press me on that? Yes.
Rajiv?
Rajiv Malik.
And
Ranjit Malik. There are two villagers.
Yes.
Rajiv Malik, ମୁଁ ଆଜି ସଜନ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ପନବିର ଗ୍ରାମର ରଞ୍ଜିତ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ଛକରେ ଥିବା ସମୟରେ ମନମୁଣ୍ଡା ଥାନାର ଏସ୍ଆଇ ମାଧବ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ସାର୍ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଷ୍ଟାଫ୍ ଏକ ଗାଡ଼ିରେ ଆସି କହିଲେ ଆମକୁ ଖବର ମିଳିଛି ଯେ ବାରକୁଲ ଗ୍ରାମରେ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ତା ଘରେ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ବିକ୍ରି କରିବା ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟରେ ରଖିଛି, ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ, ତୁମେମାନେ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଭାବେ ଆମ ସହିତ ଚାଲ। ଆମେ ରାଜି ହୋଇ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଗଲୁ। 2 ଘଟିକା ସମୟରେ ବାରକୁଲ ଗ୍ରାମରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲୁ, ଖବର ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ଲୋକ ସେଟା ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିଲେ।
They are the real witnesses, Rajiv Malik.
They are identified that.
And this witness also, PW2 also has taken the name of Rajiv Malik. We have called Rajiv Malik to the village and who identified the.
Yes, he is identified.
So this matter, there is no dispute regarding the fact.
Let the Rajiv Malik. Rajiv Malik and Ranjit
Malat, your lordship, because this witness has been examined so far till March, my lord. Thereafter, that is your lordship called the state to obtain instruction regarding how many witnesses are examined. Out of 13, out of charge sheeted witness.
After 13th of after 13th of March, how many witnesses?
Witnesses, 2-3 witnesses examined. I cannot say the name. 15 charge sheeted witness altogether. And further 3 witnesses examined. Who has examined? I have to obtain instruction. If you lordship pass over, then after recess I can say. After recess I just can say.
And I'm adjourning it after vacation. We'll do it.
After vacation?
By that time, these 2 witnesses had to be examined.
Your lordship,
If those 2 witnesses are not examined, I am not going.
Your lordship, just pass over after recess. I will say that whether they have been examined. Otherwise, your lordship adjourn.
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Yes. 65. If they are examined, get the copy.
Copy. Otherwise,
if they have not identified, then you work.
Yes.
65. I file an interim bail for the petitioner is a student of engineering. The examination held.
Case is adjourned to 19/5/26. The IA has been filed.
IA has been filed for examination. I have given the notification.
No, this IA is 303. IA.
303.
What are you taking? Interim bail on what ground?
Ground engineering student. His examination was held on the tomorrow.
Okay. The semester examination is scheduled on 29/4/2026 too. It is over now.
No, it is a other branches.
But petitioner's examination was held on 7/5/2026 to 30/5/2026.
Pharmacy, other students, but my examination was
7. Today is
6.
Yes, what do you say?
Subject to verification of that.
Petitioner has moved his present application seeking interim bail on the ground that he has to appear in the semester examination to be commenced from 7/5/2026 to 30/5/2026. He has also, what have you filed? He has also filed the admit card. This is admit card.
Admit.
He also filed a certain document to substantiate the, he has also filed the time schedule of the semester examination. Semester time schedule of the semester examinations issued by the controller of examination on 19/3/2026. Nice. Regarding the urgency involved in the present case, the I disposed of the direction to release the prisoner on interim bail by the trial court from verification of the authenticity of the documents and on the condition has been fit and proper instructions of in next level. So insofar as the regular bail plea is concerned, the petitioner seeks to withdraw the same to renew the bail plea after the petitioner surrender on the waiting the interim bail to these of them petitioner is put up. Yes.
Urgent.
No, insofar as the regular bail is concerned, I am disposing it up. Once you surrender after interim bail, you renew the bail plea there. Okay.
Because it's cyber crime.
Yes. Then let him renew the bail. Yes. Next. Huh? So the date of second.
Second item, your lordship, that is adjourned to 19/5.
Okay. Second item, let it come on. Okay.
Lordship.
First item, dispose of. Yes.
66. Urgent course will be.
Yes.
Yes, may I please, your lordships? On the allegation of theft of electric wire, my lords. Earlier, my lord had directed to get instructions whether the accused persons who were released on bail are in similar footing or not, my lord. So the present petition.
Yes, my lord. There were the 10 antecedent is there.
Sorry?
10 antecedent.
What about the co-accused persons? They have also.
They are also having.
How many antecedents?
They have also antecedent, their religion bail.
Petitioner rejected from pro, allegation against the petitioner from pro. Then comes for the petitioner submits that the co-accused persons, namely Sanjay Chandi and Nupo Bhagat and others have already been granted bail by this court by coordinator bench of this court by the order dated 25/3/2026. Even those accused persons have criminal negligence. Criminal negligence. The letter of counsel for the petitioner is named. Therefore, the petitioners are entitled is or and how many petition is entitled to bail on the ground of parity. Then account for the state opposed to the ground that the petitioner has 10 criminal antecedents. 10 criminal antecedents. Petitioner is in custody since
5/1/2026 minutes.
5/1/2026. Regarding back to the period of custody and as you can see, coaching persons who have also criminal antecedents that have already been admitted to bail by the Supreme Court of this court. I am inclined to admit this, enlarge this petition on whom's bail from this concern. Yes, ma'am.
67.
May I please, your lordship? I am there, my lords, virtual.
Yes.
Day before yesterday, your lordship directed me to serve a copy of the
charge sheet.
I have already served a copy on my learned friend on that day. I filed a copy before for your lordship's perusal, and your lordship asked them to obtain the case diary.
Have you got it?
Yes, I have a case diary, but so far the antecedent is concerned, that has not.
No antecedents, the case diary itself discloses that there is no antecedent.
Yet to verify, that is the so far the antecedent concerned, that yet to verify. The noting is there, yet to verify.
Yet to verify.
That part has not been completed.
No, this is a case where
Why don't you file an affidavit saying have you made any statement in the application?
I have stated in my application for
That's
bail.
all right. Come to the merits then. Yes.
Your lordship may see the FIR was registered
here on the basis of some Operation Kavach having been initiated by the SP Millards and the SI of Hinjali PS, he verified certain accounts and one of them was the petitioner's bank account. And it is said that the petitioner, by impersonating, page 8 of the brief, my lords may see.
Yes.
The accused Krishna Chandra Padhi, acting with clear malafide intent, systematically contacts victims by impersonating a high-ranking manager of a private finance firm, utilizing deceptive telecom tactics to induce them into transferring funds into his personal savings account at Axis Bank, Hinjali, by manipulating victims under the false pretext of overdue settlement or loan disbursement. Accused has facilitated numerous fraudulent digital transactions, effectively using his bank account as a mule-like repository for proceeds of crime. Criminal operation has already 7 complaints on the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal. And the names, the numbers of the complaints are...
But the FIR says that 7 complaints are pending.
Yes. They are with the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal.
So then how do you say that you have no criminal antecedent?
But no case has been registered.
Then you have to verify it.
Page 12.
Whether cases are registered, because see, there are 7 complaints.
Yes.
What happened to those complaints?
My lords,
That is not page 12 and like
You verify.
My lords, kindly see the charge sheet, what the IO says there.
the petitioner were involved in identical theft. And that page
Please
12.
look at the charge sheet, my lords, what he says. In column number 13, full 16.
Charge sheet copy hasn't come on record.
I have given a copy of that to your lordship.
That's right, but it's not.
My lordship, for more than 1 month, the state will not obtain case diary. What can I do?
No, charge sheet copy which you have filed has not come on record.
That, my lords, is the registry's fault, my lords.
Yes. So the charge sheet copy of the charge sheet placed on record by the filed by the counsel for the prisoner has not.
Let it come on Monday then.
Registry is directed to place on record the copy. In the meantime, the state counsel to verify the criminal and send back to the judge. And release the matter on 11th. You tell me. 11th you verify and tell me. Yes.
68.
See, 8, your lordships had asked us to give an affidavit, my lords. A written note.
Yes.
This is the note, my lords. My lords, just to remind your lordships, my lords, bail has been rejected by this court once. At that point of time, 4 eyewitnesses were not examined. Some eyewitnesses were examined. 4 eyewitnesses had not been examined. The medical examination had, the medical examiner was not examined. My lords.
Examined, but evidence not brought on the court.
Now, my lords, here, all the 4 eyewitnesses, in consonance with the previous eyewitnesses, they talk about the present petitioner, Raju Tare. We are only concerned, I am only concerned about Raju Tare. My friends are appearing for other persons. Raju Tare, he has assaulted with means of a stick. That too to the informant. Admittedly, the death has taken place. The hand of the deceased, my lords, during the fight, 3 persons, my lords, had swords, which was distributed by one, Kartika Parida, which was given to Raja Tare, not Raju Tare. Raja Tare, Pappu Tare and Bablu Sahu, they assaulted and his hand was cut off. Now it is also, my lords, the doctors say that if he would have been properly treated at that relevant point of time, he would have survived. There was negligence. I'll place those, that evidence.
The last time you told me.
Yes, my lords. Now, my lords, my humble submission before your lordship, I'm placing the evidence of the eyewitnesses.
Starts at page 19.
Lordship permit.
Page.
You are appealing
for the informant.
Last occasion, your lordship had directed the land council for the state to make a note.
Yes,
Whether
we have also given.
I prepared.
Now, what you have given, I am not asking. Your lordship had directed the
Yes,
council
I
for the
asked
state
you to prepare because there are many accused.
What you
Well,
have given that is.
No, how many, your lordship asked, how many
No, no.
eyewitnesses have been examined? How many
And
eyewitnesses?
who has said against
Yes.
what?
I
And
have,
that I have given in my, that compilation.
Have you seen it?
well, they are not supplied.
Yes, yes, I'm giving.
I'll take it up after lunch. You just check it up. I'll pass it over. Just check it up. You exchange it so that you can save time. Huh? 2 o'clock.
I'm giving,
Okay.
let it be with your words.
Yes, next.
69.
Oblige.
Yes, where? But,
69 over, na? 70. 68. 69, yes.
69 में लट matter was listed before yesterday. But most of the witnesses have been examined except the informant. Who is an eyewitness to the occurrence apart from the brother of the deceased who have been examined as PW12 and other witnesses have been examined, they did not support. I am appearing for one of the client petitioner is accused Suresh Champia. He is named PW12 who is an eyewitness to the occurrence. He has not whispered my name at least.
You are for Suresh Champia.
Suresh Champia. He has PW12 is the eyewitness as well as the brother of the deceased.
Who is appearing for the Raju Bahadur?
I am appearing.
All are met the case that the one of the main witness informant who is the wife of the deceased, she is not turning off because she is one of the witness. That is why this honorable court time and again rejected our application, stated that wait for examination. Since she did not come out, in spite of repeated direction, repeated summons, last occasion, after seeing the order sheet that she has, in spite of repeated summons, she is not turning up for adducing evidence. One of the quick is Balram Kanungo was granted bail. And the order sheet we have also
pointed out that.
yes, we have given the order sheet.
Very specific in the second paragraph. It is.
Yes. So particularly, so for the evidence, so for my client is concerned, Suresh Champia, PW12 is an eyewitness to the occurrence. Apart from other PW1 to 11, no one has whispered on tall hostile. And 12 is an eyewitness as well as brother. He has not named me also. He has not at all named.
PW12 is the
brother of the deceased.
PW1 and who all are the eyewitnesses?
PW12 is an eyewitness.
PW4 Lipilaguri.
Who all are the
My lord, in this case, I am placing the name of the eyewitnesses. Mamata Hessa, Guru Charan Hessa.
Has been examined already.
Mamata Hessa not examined.
There is the informant, that is the Mamata.
This is not. Guru Charan Hessa examined at PW12. He partly supported the case. Lipilaguri
examine
as PW4.
PW4
hostile. Chena Sidhu examined at PW5 hostile. Sabita Hembram PW7 hostile. BC Kesab Mahakut PW16. He not turned hostile but not also fully supported.
Not supported.
Not supported. Vicky Laguri, PW8 hostile. PW11, sorry, Raju Hessa, PW11, partly supported. Sagar Laguri,
hostile, he is also turned hostile.
PW9, hostile mo post hostile. Babula Sinku, PW10, hostile. Umari Munda, PW6 hostile.
Then
Only-
you have left. You are left with.
Mamata Hessa, only Mamata
No,
Hessa.
no. So far as the evidence which has been recorded, PW11 and 12 partly supported. Okay? Partly supported, and rest of all the witnesses have turned.
No, PW12 has supported the case. He is not in hostile.
Okay, let us see. Okay, it's all right.
Okay.
This is what is the position today. Yes. And then now you are harping upon one witness, Mamata, who has not been examined. And the coordinate bench of this court has granted bail to one of the accused, saying that after repeated summons, she is not turning up. Why should these people be kept? How will you answer to this?
This is the order sheet also.
I will not dispute this.
Then how will you? If
we
they
are
are also entitled,
proceeding.
let us see only PW 12.
My lord.
Let us see PW 12.
Yes.
Page 32.
In the first item or second item?
Na Suresh Champia. File there achi.
Let us see. Come to
Suresh Champia second item. Page 32.
32. Okay. See.
His name is Gurkhan.
Yes.
He is the brother of the deceased.
Yes.
The informant is my sister.
Let us see. Yes. On 17/7/2023, one Suresh Naik was taking the deceased my brother's four-wheeler on the way Balaram Khan Road with my brother to his house, and then assaulted him in the house and kept him in there 2 days. Then 2 days later, he made a court.
Raju Bahadur, Bablu, Sumitra released them there.
Morning. Bablu
Drop the
Rajabha dropped the informant out of her house. On that day, Bablu told me that he would kill my deceased brother. We are taking it for 10th hour. Sumitra also. Bablu asked to know that the informant that escape from the house of Balaram Mankuda inside. That night, Mitra and Kala's daughter told of the disease was in the morning next day. Who is Sumitra, Kala and
Sumitra and Kala.
Kala. Both of them have got hold of my deceased brother and took him to the clubhouse at so and so. And Sumitra Kala is there.
No, Sumitra Pingwa. Sumitra Pingwa is ladies. She has been granted bail.
What is there then? Entitled to bail.
Well, last occasion I took time to examine all this. Verify. I see.
Give that order.
Giving the order. And at least Balaram Kanungo's name is there. Name he has implicated name. He was the dispute. He has been granted.
And Sumitra and Kala, they have been.
He fled away from the state.
Petitioners are accused in also. Allegation in the file. The trial is substantially proceeded in this matter. 12 witnesses have been examined. PW 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We all are in custody since July 2023.
Not supported in the prosecution case. Therefore, they were only PW 12 is the supported in the prosecution case as yet. Perusal of the evidence of PW 12 reveals that she has made omnibus allegations against all the 2 persons. But specifically attributed overtake against one Balaram Kanungo, Sumitra and Kala. The counsel appeal for the petitioner submits that Sumitra and Kala have already been enlarged on bail.
Sumitra Pingwa Tana. Kala. Sumitra Tana, which is Sumitra Ping. Sumitra and Kala, his estate.
Sumitra and Kala.
Kala is another person.
1 person.
No, 2 persons.
Both of them are granted bail.
No. Kala is not. Sumitra.
Kala has not been granted. Sumitra.
No, only Sumitra.
Sumitra has been granted. Wait, Sumitra has been granted.
Balaram.
Even Balaram Kanungo, who appears to be the principal accused in the present case, has already been granted bail by the coordinate bench of this court by order dated 24/2/2026 in BLPL number 13311 of 2025. Mr. Jafurla, drawing my attention to para 4 of the said order, submits that the only eyewitness who is the informant in the present case, Mamta
Hessa, who is the wife of the
Mamta
deceased.
Hessa, has not yet been examined. The prosecution could not produce this witness for a longer time. Therefore, taking note of this aspect of the matter, the coordinate bench has admitted the principal accused CORAM to be para 4 of the order reads. When the matter was taken up on para 4 of this para 4. When the matter was taken up on 22/4/2026, a specific query was put to the State Council as to why as to whether the informant Mamta Kala has been
Mamta Pinkua.
Examined or not. It appears from the instruction, it appears from Mr. Naik on instruction submits that the said witness has not yet been.
Your Lordship quote this order sheet of order.
Again.
Because this is a trial court order that in spite of several summons, he could not.
Also
That order
the
sheet.
notice of the court that notice of the court
Middle part,
dated 11/11/2025 recorded by the trial court. Trial court. To the effect that
Prosecution is failed to produce the informant of the case after several instructions.
to the effect that despite several efforts, the informant in the present case could not be produced for examination. Could have produced for examination. Again, petitions are in custody since
July 2023.
27/2023.
कार 20/21 ला लॉर्डशिप
21. Already in item.
कार ଅଛି 20 कार 21 तारीख जुलाई 2020
July 2020. July 2020.
2023.
Regarding had to do the period of custody and the nature of evidence brought on record by the prosecution through the witnesses till date on record till date. Since the prosecution has failed to produce the informant for the examination, the petitioners are entitled. And also, since the co-accused persons have been granted bail on the same ground, the petitioners are entitled to be treated on parity and conditions. Every date of hearing, even for single failure also entail cancellation.
Well,
single failure also, so that's paragraph.
and also direct the trial court to conclude the trial.
No.
Because
now you are out.
Because of the lady mallet, there is only
you should be happy. If the lady is not produced, you should be happy. No evidence, you will be out. Why are you insisting unnecessary? You are granted bail. You are insisting that. Very interesting. If they will not produce the lady, you are bound to be acquitted. There is nothing.
That is not
basically.
Yes.
And you are insisting that some evidence should come.
She will not come
under the course of the court order.
Merit and some other states.
Maybe they may not procure.
Right is satisfied.
Eh?
Right is satisfied.
Auri chakra conviction mage invite kari.
Item 63, my lord. That is on the ground of parity, my lord, already co-accused released on bail, my lord.
63 is over now. I can't remember.
The date.
I don't know what had happened. Next
70.
There are how many matters?
70. My lord, my application was earlier that matter, my lord. My application was earlier rejected along with other co-accused. Subsequently, my lord, co-accused has been released on bail. And that is why I have given the copy. Lord, sir, put up
transporting the cattle and had 4 criminal entity against him.
Case sir, bail
the habitual
bunch of case
offender on
filed affidavit.
Again?
Have you filed an affidavit?
affidavit ସେ ଚାରିଟା କେସ୍ କରି ମୁଁ ସବୁ କେସ୍ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ବେଲ୍ ରେ ଅଛି।
Why did you file an affidavit?
Similar situated ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ OAQs has been released on bail.
Who has been released?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Who has been released on bail?
ମାନେ one SK Wasim and ଦେଇଥିଲି ଗତ ଥର 4 ଜଣ ବେଲ୍ ରେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଦିଟା ବେଲ୍ ଫ୍ରି ସାର୍ 12094 ଦେଇଥିଲି ଗତ ଥର।
SK Raju,
present petitioner.
Jafar, Ria, Adi.
I've given malad
name. What happened to these people?
They have been granted
Ravani,
bail malad.
Huh?
Granted bail malad.
All of them.
Well, I've given the 2 and 4 petitions copy malad. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 91 59 ର କପିଟା ବି ଦେଇଥିଲି।
Wasim is not an accused.
ଅଛି ନା
ଏମାନେ ପେଶାଦାର ଗୁରୁ ଚାଲାଣ କରନ୍ତି ଏବଂ
he was present at the spot. All were on the ground of malad conspiracy.
Good is there.
ଗାଡିକୁ ଅଟକାଇ ସେମାନେ ତୀବ୍ର ଗତିରେ ଗାଡିଟାକୁ ଆମ ସାଇଡକୁ ଜୀବନରେ ମାରିଦେବା
Safe କରିନି ନା the person who has killed
SK Raju
correctly. This person was not present.
What is your name? SK Raju.
He was not present. Malad FIR allegation that one vehicle came. Malad he tried to
Who was driving that vehicle?
This petitioner is not driving vehicle, and the case is that alleging that this petitioner and others they are in conspiracy for transportation. This is the allegation.
May I read the matter? କୁମୁଦିନୀ ପରିଡ଼ା ଏସ୍ଆଇ ଭାବେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟରତ statement of the sub-inspector Milord. ସେ ଆମକୁ ଦେଖି କିଛି ଦୂରତାରେ ସେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଅଟକାଇ ଦେଲେ ଆମେ ସନ୍ଦେହରେ ଉକ୍ତ ଗାଡ଼ିଟାକୁ ଟର୍ଚ୍ଚ ମାରିବାରୁ ଉକ୍ତ ଗାଡ଼ି ନମ୍ବର ପ୍ଲେଟ୍ ନଥିଲା ତେଣୁ ଆମର ସନ୍ଦେହ ବଢ଼ିଲା ତୁରନ୍ତ ଆମେ ଉକ୍ତ ଗାଡ଼ି ଆଡ଼କୁ ଯାଉଥିବା ଦେଖି ଉକ୍ତ ଗାଡ଼ି ଚାଳକ ତୀବ୍ର ଗତିରେ ତାର ଗାଡ଼ିଟିକୁ ଆମ ସାଇଡକୁ ଜୀବନରେ ମାରିଦେବା ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟରେ ଆମ ଉପରେ ଗାଡ଼ିଟିକି ଚଢ଼ାଇ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ରାସ୍ତା ତଳକୁ ଓହ୍ଲାଇ ଯିବାରୁ ଆମର ଜୀବନ ବଞ୍ଚିଗଲା ସେ ଗାଡ଼ିର ଡ୍ରାଇଭରଟି ଗାଡ଼ିଟି ଉପରୁ ଭାରସାମ୍ୟ ହରାଇ କିଛି ବାଟ ଗଲା ପରେ ଗଛରେ ବାଡ଼େଇ ହୋଇ ସେ ସେଠାରେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଭିତରୁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ପଳାଇଲେ ଆମେ ତ ପିଛା କଲୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ରାତିରେ ଅନ୍ଧାର ସୁଯୋଗ ନେଇ ଲୁଚିଗଲେ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଗାଡ଼ି ପାଖକୁ ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଯେ ଗାଡ଼ିଟି ଏକ ମହିନ୍ଦ୍ରା ବୋଲର ସେଥିରେ ନମ୍ବର ପ୍ଲେଟ୍ ନଥିଲା ଡାଲାର 5ଟି ବଳଦ ଥାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଶିଙ୍ଗ ଏବଂ ଗୋଡ଼ ଅତି ନୃଶଂସ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିରେ ବନ୍ଧା ହୋଇଥିଲା ଆମେ ତଦନ୍ତ କରିବା ଜାଣିପାରିଲୁ ଯେ ଉକ୍ତ ଗାଡ଼ିର ମାଲିକ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି MD ଖତିବାଲା ପିତା ଅହମ୍ମଦ ଗ୍ରାମ ଚଢ଼ିଗଲା SK Raju the present petitioner, SK Musharraf, SK Jafar, SK Ria, SK ସମସ୍ତେ ଗ୍ରାମ ସମସ୍ତେ ଗ୍ରାମ ଠାକୁରମୁଣ୍ଡା SK ଗୁଡୁଙ୍କ ଗ୍ରାମ କରଞ୍ଜିଆ ଜିଲ୍ଲା ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜ SK ବସିଦ SK ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜ ବୋଲି ଜଣେ ଏମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆଇନ ଭୟାନକ ଆର୍ଥିକ ଲୋଭରେ ସଂଗଠନ ହୋଇ ଅନେକ ଦିନ ଆଗରୁ ବେଆଇନ ଗୋରୁ ଚାଲାଣ କରି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଭିତରେ ଏଇ ସମସ୍ତ ଲୋକମାନେ ଅନେକ ଥାନାରେ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି ତଥା ପେଶାଦାର ଗୋରୁ ଚାଲାଣ କରନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଗାଡ଼ି ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ମାଲିକ ପଶ୍ଚିମବଙ୍ଗକୁ ଚୋର ଗୋରୁ ଚାଲାଣ କରନ୍ତି ସେଠାରୁ ଏଇ ଗୋରୁକୁ କଟା ହୋଇ ଗୋମାଂସକୁ ବାଂଲାଦେଶ ଓ ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ରପ୍ତାନି କରାଯାଇଛି ଆଜି ସମୟରେ ସକାଳ 8 ସମୟରେ ସାକ୍ଷୀମାନ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ମହିନ୍ଦ୍ରା ବୁଲେଟ୍ ଗାଡ଼ି
Now you tell me your antecedents.
Antecedent malad I have the antecedent. 4 में सर 5टा छाड़ा सबुरा हाईकोर्ट बेल सर ଅଛି sir.
Similar antecedent.
Why don't you file an affidavit?
Yes, malad.
You file an affidavit, I'll grant 11. Today is what is the date? 6 na? I'll take it up on 11th. File an affidavit.
ମତେ କହିଲେ ହଜୁର କହିଲେ ଯେ ଦି ଜଣ ଯେ କୋଏକୁ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
I'll grant you bail.
habitual ଗୋରୁ ଚାଲାଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
Once it comes on it is easier.
habitual malad offended so malad why you are managing a conspiracy you are all affair
There is no legacy. You fled away from the spot.
Yes.
Nobody was arrested.
2% you are naming to 13%.
I know.
Let it
be on day after.
କେଉଁଝର PS case ତାଲକୋଇ PS case କେଉଁଝର ସଦର PS case all the four all the same type of
8 are FIR
8
file an affidavit
in which cases disclosing in which cases you are involved and what is the case.
I have my lord I've been granted bail. Well appeal number on most of the cases High Court has granted bail malad
you are not
sir hello
but see, the problem is see you might be involved in the case but the quality of evidence is very bad.
All are we have knowledge that they were
you say 2 vehicles they were trying to run away through you and they met with an accident and 2% run away and you said so many people why are at least prosecute these 2 persons.
Yes,
you will have
your
conviction. As a result of that, everybody will be able to.
All are malad similar types of
in this judging that's
here in this case matter 111 is there that is the organizing crime.
Whatever may be the quality of evidences you have seen
that police
the one which you read out
evidence are value
the one which you read out From inquiry, how he inquired, from whom he inquired? ऐसी.
111 sir similar cyclostyle
And
FIR.
takes the name of 10 people.
Cyclostyle FIR ଅଛି ସବୁରେ same type ର FIR କରି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଯେ we have
That's the whole
knowledge.
difficult. As a result of which you people are involved. There is no doubt that you are involved.
No.
But you are getting acquittal because of this kind of. Prosecute in one case, but procure quality evidence.
Quality evidence. So that can be
Institutions, 100 cases will not procure anything, you know. Ultimately, in all the cases, they will be acquitted. That's the whole difficulty, what to do. Yes. Any, how many matters? Password. Four password matters are there, I'll take it out. Yes.
Passover item 41.
Yes. Next. Nobody there.
Item 50. May I please? Item 41.
41. Yes.
Lord, previously the petitioner was on bail mail. By the order dated 4/12/2029.
4/12?
2029. Flag D. DLPL number 6941 of 2019 mail.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, on NBW was issued on 4th January 2025. 4th January 2025.
Okay.
And on the strength of
Arrested?
Arrested on 22nd March 2026.
26.
My lord.
Right. Petitioner accusation also. Initially, the petitioner was, the petitioner earlier filed the BLA number 6941 of 2019. And the coordinated bench of this court by order of decade 4/12/2019 admitted to bail. However, due to his default in the trial, the trial court issued a BW against him on 4/1/2021. The petitioner has been taken into custody pursuant to the execution of NBW on 22/3/2026. Since then, he remain in custody. In the next since the petition only available date, however, from the default appearance, he has been taken into custody pursuant to immediately. The petition went back into the bureau. He is a material report to the field from the state hearing. In the event he remain absent without satisfactory reason, without providing satisfactory reason, the trial court recall the constitution of the matter by this form. And the application is prosecuted. Yes.
Item 15.
20B2C of NDPS Act. Here in this case, 21 kg of ganja has been seized. One accused person, namely Aisha Mondal. He stated that he delivered the same to the present petitioner. That is the allegation. In the meantime, he was already been released on bail.
Who?
That to seize it.
Who has been granted bail? Aisha Mandal,
ହଁ ସେ ଅଣ୍ଡର
Asia Mandal.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଅଲରେଡି ରିଲିଜ ହେଲେଣି ବେଲ୍ ତାଠୁ ସିଏ ଯାଇଥିଲା ସିଏ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲା ଯେ ସିଏ ମତେ ଡେଲିଭରି କରିବାକୁ ନେଲା ଜିନିଷଟା
The custody since?
custody in this case he was remanded he was arrested in a in 20B 2B NDPS Act case ରେ arrest ହେଲା 10 kg ରେ ସେଥିରେ ଲର୍ନିଂ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ବେଲ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଏଟା ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ବେଲ୍ ଅର୍ଡର subsequently in this case he was remanded and the allegation in this case the one Aisha Mondal he was arrested and he stated that he delivered the same the present petition that is the allegation. In the meantime, final PR has already been submitted. I have annexed the same. সেটা যোথরা মানে arrest ହେଇଥିଲା
FIR number in this case? No FIR number is written. The case where you were in custody,
yes sir.
What is the FIR number?
K Nuaga PS case. Can I have a glass? Page number 2, my lord. K Nuaga PS.
Page number 2.
Okay.
Yes.
K Nuaga PS.
Where is it? Page number 2 you have written.
Okay.
Page
Underline
number
करते
2.
इधर underline करते हैं. K Nuaga.
In this case where you were in custody,
Okay.
what is the case number?
K Nuaga actually PS case টা. সেই order sheet এ লিখতে.
Police case. Okay. Number, there is no number, nothing.
Number rejection.
In the rejection order also there is nothing. These are small things, unnecessary. Twice I have passed over. Get the particular. Tell me the number of the PS case. I'll keep on searching or what? At least you should tell me the number of the case.
Just.
In which case you have been, what you are trying to say is, in one case you have been taken into custody.
Okay.
Tell me the number of that case. While in custody, you have been remanded in the present case. Unless you tell me the number, how will I write it?
Password.
No password. You will see tomorrow, day after.
Item 51 may appeal. Here in this case, 2 persons were apprehended by the railway police and separate seizure was made. Total 36 kg 300 gram. But one person kindly have a glass. Page number 14.
For procedure.
Let a separate seizure. Kindly have a glass. Page number
CD is to be required. 36.
Before.
Call for CD. Release the matter before vacation. Huh? Okay. Yes.
68 କାଲି ଟେକନ ଡେ ଅଫ ଟୁ 50 ନମ୍ବର ଆଇଟମ ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦଉ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ 50 ନମ୍ବର ପିଏସ୍ କେସ୍ ଟା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଇ ଦଉ
Yes, 60.
68. Before my friend start, if your lordship permit, can I submit one thing?
68.
Blood daily.
Give that.
This is for historical purpose. The log back when I joined the practice in the year 1980-81. One Dr. B.N. Mishra was the judge of this. And this matter, suppose previously whether the matter was here before this court or not, and though we have to write it, but before it was there or not, and suppose a case is being heard and it is adjourned by particular query made by the Honorable Court to the either of the council, then ordinarily when it comes to the next time, or even at the beginning time, ordinarily it should, we always used to, the court used to say that you have to start with that the matter was before this Honorable Court in such and such case. It's not enough that, no, I have written it. Because the Honorable Court, it's up to assist the Honorable Court, we have to hear.
Yes.
So in that case, it's not that each and every word, everything.
What do you want to?
That is the thing. And second thing, the important thing is that your lordship last occasion directed the council and council for the state after hearing.
Yes,
yes, to go through all the evidence, what was already there at the time of hearing of the previous bail application, and as well as the evidence which has been examined subsequent that 5 witnesses, and make a chart. Your lordship had directed that.
Yes.
To the council for the state, whether he has gone through it and he has made a chart or not.
He has made chart.
No,
definitely might have gone through.
No, probably yes. But I don't think.
Yes.
Yes, ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି PP ଜଏନ୍ କର. I thought that you have become a PP.
Yes.
In this case, my lord,
My lord,
so far out of.
this is,
Let him complete, let him complete.
my lord,
the
my,
one he has given, yes.
my entire case, my lord.
Hmm.
My lords, there is a rejection of a bail order, my lords. That is correct, my lords. What was taken into consideration in that bail order? Certainly, your lordships. My lords, there is no bar for reappreciating, but your lordships may not get into that. Now, subsequent eyewitnesses, they reiterate the same story. My lords, I'm just placing the relevant portions. I'm not going through the entire evidence, just the relevant portions.
Total 64 witnesses.
Total 64 witnesses.
Examined 15.
15.
Right now, examination of 15 witnesses.
Hmm.
14 eyewitnesses.
15,
Out of 15, 14 eyewitnesses.
No. Out of 64 witnesses, 14 eyewitnesses are there.
All of them are examined.
No, not. Only 4 examined. Sorry, six examined.
Six examined.
Out of 14 eyewitnesses,
Hmm.
6 examined. 6 examined. Yes. Examined. Total is 64. 64, 15 examined.
15 examined.
Okay.
15 examined.
Yes.
My lords, your lordships may kindly turn to page 90.
90.
90.
Yes.
PW3, he's an eyewitness. Abhimanyu Pohana. Relevant page is 91. Lordship gets 91.
Who all are the eyewitness according to you? The 6 examined eyewitness, PW?
These are eyewitnesses examined subsequent to the order.
Whatever, total eyewitness you tell. PW1.
Total eyewitnesses.
PW.
PW3,
3,
PW4,
4,
PW8,
8,
PW9,
yes.
PW13 and 14.
Up to us, that would have been better. A copy of the bail petition would have been, because.
That is, you
Yes,
are already having the
yes.
copy.
No.
Yes, you are now relying upon.
And my lords, PW9 is the brother.
Yes, let us see PW9.
My lords, I'm taking your lordships to the deposition of PW3.
Which page you say?
Page 90.
90. Okay.
Relevant at 91.
91. Read it.
Your lordships may remember my petitioner's name. It's Raju Tare, not Raja Tare.
Raju Tare.
Raju Tare.
Yes.
91. Lordship, 3 lines from the top. Poppu Tare.
Poppu Tare first dealt is.
Bablu Sahu and Raja Tare picked 3 swords.
Abhiman Pan.
Before that,
91.
Before that, my lords, I'm reading from the top. Then after few minutes, Bablu Sahu and Kartika Parida arrived there in a bike. 10 to 15 minutes, others also arrived with them. Bablu Sahu and Kartika Parida had brought 3 swords kept in a sack. Poppu Tare, Bablu Sahu and Raja Tare picked the 3 swords, not Raju Tare. Then Poppu Tare first dealt a sword blow to Dilip Pohan, aiming at his head. To protect his head, Dilip raised his right hand and received the blow on his right arm. Thereafter, my lords, if your lordship turns to another 5 lines below that, then Raja Tare, Bablu Sahu and Raju Tare assaulted Rama Pohana. It is not the deceased, my lords. Rama Pohana.
He is the injured victim.
Is the informant. Rama Pohan is the father of the.
Rama Pohana is PW?
No.
He has
not been examined. Rama Pohana not examined.
He is the informant
Not examined.
and he has also not, there is no medical report of Ramapam.
Not examined. Okay. Yes.
Raju Tare assaulted Rama Pohan and Virat Pohana by sword and cudgel.
Virat has been examined?
Virat
PW4.
PW4. My lords, we are coming to that. My lords, then para 3, Rama Pohana was a supporter of BJP while the accused persons were supporters of BJD. Previously, Rama Pohana was a supporter of BJD in the previous Panchayat election. Deceased Dilip Pawan was contesting against Raju Tare for the post of Samiti member, and Dilip Pawan was defeated due to the malpractice of Raju Tare. So Dilip Pawan filed an election petition against Raju Tare, which he also lost, fellows. In the cross examination that has come out. Now your lordship,
There is enmity between you and Dilip Pawan.
there's a political rivalry,
Political
fellows.
Yes.
He has lost he also lost the election. He lost the election. We won the election. He lost the election case also.
More from his side.
Enmity is more from his side. I'm not a disgruntled loser, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, if your lordship sees the cross-examination, para 51, that is at running page 96.
Yes.
Our group and the accused persons all were supporters of BJD in 2020. Besides Dilip Pawan and Raju Tare, two others were also contesting the Panchayat election. It is a fact that Raju Tare won the election. I have no knowledge if the election application also went against Dilip Pawan even in the High Court. But he lost it in the trial court and Dilip Pawan came to the High Court palace. Anyway, now we come to PW4, who is Birat Pawan.
Yes, come to PW4. Yes.
101. 5 lines from the top. The rest accused persons also arrived few minutes thereafter. They came in
101 you already.
101.
Yes. PW4 101.
4 lines from the top, sir. देखिए. The rest accused persons also arrived few minutes thereafter.
Yes.
They came in 10 to 12 bikes. Kartika Pradhan had brought 3 swords in a sack. Kartika Parida. He gave 1 sword to Raja Tare, another sword to Pappu Tare, and the third one to Bablu Sahu.
The same.
No Raju Tare, Manoj. And he has also not implicated Raju Tare to have assaulted him. Or the informant. PW
9.
PW8 at page
120. Then the earlier para 91, page 91 you read it.
My lord.
You say that you have assaulted PW4 and Ramapon. That story is also belied by the evidence of PW4.
Birat Pradhan says
He doesn't say that
no. And he also doesn't implicate him in assaulting
to that extent that witness which is you read in 91 is not to be believed. That
yes.
Yes.
Page 120.
Yes.
PW8.
Page 120. PW8. He's the brother-in-law. He's the brother-in-law.
Page 108.
120.
120.
120.
PW8.
Brother-in-law of the deceased.
Brother-in-law of the deceased.
Yes.
121 is
121, your lordships may kindly see.
Yes.
The second paragraph, para 3, 3, 4, 5, about 10 lines, 10 to 11 lines from the top, few minutes thereafter.
Yes.
Lordship gets it. Few minutes thereafter.
All the names.
Yes. Kartika Parida, Raju Tare, Kandha Tare, Manu Tare, Kumar Tare, Balya Pradhan, Manoj Pradhan, Srikant Pradhan, Binaya Tare, Jitendra Tare, Ashish Sahu, Panamali Pradhan, Bablu Sahu, Samir Sahu also arrived at the spot. Then paragraph 4, Kartika Parida had brought swords and iron rods in a sack. He brought out the swords and iron rods from the sack and distributed to Pappu Tare, Sibo Tare, that is Raja, alias Raja, your lordship says, alias Raja.
Gopi Gonda and Bablu Tare.
And Gopi Gowda and Bablu Sahu. My lords, it's all Raja Tare. Then at the bottom, last 4 lines from the bottom, Raju Tare, lordship gets it, was assaulting to Ramachandra Pahana by a Thenga. When the accused persons were assaulting us, some villagers rushed to the spot and raised shouts saying, "Police, police." During such assault, Raju Tare was instigating others to kill us. Hearing the shout of the villagers, the accused persons fled
Then
away.
you assaulted Ramapahan.
Ramapahan.
And you instigated.
These are the allegations and so far as the brother-in-law is concerned. Then PW9 is at running page.
Jitendra Pahana, 130.
Malas, he is the brother of the deceased. The father, Ramachandra Pahan, is his father.
Page 130.
Page 130.
130.
Huh.
Yes. Who is he?
The brother of the deceased.
Brother of the deceased. Page 131 is relevant, my lords. Lordships, about 5 lines from the top. I'm reading your lordships. I'm reading to your lordships. They took part in the altercation. Soon thereafter, Kartika Parida, Kalya Pradhan, Raju Tare, Manu Tare, Kandwa Tare, Ashish Sahu, Bablu Sahu, Samir Sahu, Banamali Pradhan, Basudev Pradhan,
And
Kumar Tare, Deepak Maharaj,
spot.
and few others arrived at the spot. Kartika Parida had brought swords and iron rods in a sack. He handed over 3 swords to Pappu Tare, Raja Tare, and Bablu Sahu. At that time, my father Ramapahan reached the spot. Raju Tare dealt a sword blow to my father, not to the deceased.
That is Ramchandra.
That is also belied.
That is also belied. He in the
But
cross.
the other witness you read, he says that Tenga blow.
Tenga blow and
There is an improvisation.
yes, but improvisation which has been belied in the cross. I'll show you, Lordship, what he says. He also
I think it
instigated.
is enough for bail.
Yes. My lords, and just another portion I'm placing from how this story. It's
First
only
of all,
because.
first of all, you have not assaulted the deceased.
Yes, my lords.
And you have not brought that sword and all,
No.
which is brought by the one, what is it?
Kartika.
Kartika, and it distributed to 3 people.
Yes.
And allegation is you have assaulted Ramapahana and Virat Pahana.
Who?
And the PW4 Virat Pahana himself says that you have not done anything.
Yes, my lord.
And Ramapahana, whether you have attacked by Thenga or by sword, it is again 2 versions are on record. 2 versions are coming.
And
this is the whole
Yes. Only one. And my lords, in the cross examination, he also says.
Page 136.
136, if your lordship sees. Paragraph 37. Sorry, my lords. Not. Page 140. My lords, paragraph 79. It is a fact conflict was between supporters of BJP and BJD. Next page, if your lordship kindly sees. Para 79. 140. Cross examination.
Yes.
And page 141. No assault. Para 85. Your lordships will kindly say.
Yes.
No assault was made to my father. His father is Ramapahan. Who's the informant? By sword. So that story that Raju Tare had struck his father by sword is also belied. In the cross-examination, he
This is the
admits.
nature of evidence.
Yes, well. Rather, my father was assaulted by Thenga
To
his chest and back. My father sustained swelling and blackening at his right side, chest and back, but there was no bleeding. He was feeling pain. He also received medical treatment. But my lords, no medical, my lords, has come on the records, my lords. So,
There is no requisition.
no, nothing. Nothing. So the father. And lastly, my lords, just for your lordship's satisfaction, now I'm placing the doctor's.
Dr. PW1.
PW1. Page 76.
The relevant para is 79.
76, huh?
Next page 79.
79,
Para 11.
para 11,
Page 79.
which this is
79.
yes, sir. This is the postmortem doctor.
PW2.
PW1.
PW1.
Para?
Para 11. Cubital fossa is the anterior aspect of the elbow joint. It is a fact that a common man with ordinary prudence will have no knowledge that cubital fossa comprises of vital vessels like brachial artery and vein, which will cause massive bleeding due to cut injury. Then again at paragraph 14, he says, it is a fact that if the cut wound of the artery would have been stitched at the first instance at CHC Khalikot, the blood flow could have been stopped. It is a fact that fluid and blood would have been infused to the injured at CHC Khalikot. There was chance that he might have survived. Now, my lords, my humble submission is this was due to negligence. And as it is, the present petitioner, Raju Tare, has no role in assaulting the deceased.
Yes.
Someone says he has assaulted the Ramo Pohana, who is the informant, by Henga.
That is also not coming clear.
That is also not coming clear.
Yes.
Antecedents, my lords, they had talked about. 302, my lords, there was another case. 302, there was one case. He was not even charge sheeted. The rest of the accused have been exonerated in that entire, acquitted in that entire case. He has been exonerated from the, that was 219, my lords. Paragraph 6, we have given the entire set of cases. He is. Yes. And because he was in politics, my lords, these cases have come forward.
Yes.
In that case, he is
What do you say about
in custody since
1 minute?
9/6/24.
Custody?
9/6/24.
Custody for 96.
Almost 2 years, my lords. 9th of June.
Yes.
My lord, I think my lord, my learned and senior appearing for the informant first should do place the matter, thereafter finish.
You tell.
My lord, in this case, the petitioner were charged under section 149 IPC. He is a member of the unlawful assembly.
That's obviously because
this
so many
stage,
people are there.
My lord, at this
149.
stage, it cannot be segregated that the petitioner.
No,
has
but the
personal-
witnesses have to see what is the overtake.
My submission is, my lord, since the petitioner charged under section 149 IPC
And
he is a
for the
member of the
purpose of
unlawful
conviction,
assembly,
maybe you are correct, but what is the overtake attributed to these people? And
Second,
what
my
they'll
lord,
state.
Just
second,
and 149, my lords, all the co-accused have been released on bail.
second,
All 15
when
have been released on bail by this
when
court and the
High
session
Senior
court.
was placing,
Informed
I
by the
remain-
Supreme Court.
I remain completely silent.
I'm just, I
When
took
I
your
am
permission.
submitting, I humbly
I
pray.
took your permission.
No, no,
I took
I
your
humbly
permission.
pray.
Just
Okay, it's all right. Yes, now.
Second, my lord, the bail application of the petitioner was rejected on 11/8/2025. How the petitioner will overcome this rejection order? Kindly have a glance to paragraph 6.
6 of
That of bail application 2715 batch of cases.
Yes.
Paragraph
6.
6. After considering the rival submission upon perusal of record, it is not disputed that 9 witnesses have already been examined in this case, but the informant and some other eyewitnesses have yet to be examined. But law is well settled that detailed analysis of evidence and meticulous examination of document material merit should be avoided at the time of consideration of bail application. This is my lord. How the petitioner will overcome? By then, 9 witnesses examined. At present, 15 witnesses examined. The other witnesses, eyewitness to the occurrence.
Yeah, but then
They have
if,
not-
if this is to be taken as a ratio dignity, then you tell me if there are so many accused, how will you segregate their case individually if you don't test the evidences?
My lord, my submission is to not-
Then once they are roped in and under the aid of 149,
My lord.
they will be let off after the trial is over only.
My lord,
So you individually you have to see what are the overtake attributed to these people.
My lord, I am an officer of the court.
No,
It
that's
is
right.
my duty.
No, I am
not
just
to-
asking this question.
Yes.
Because you said that at this stage you need not go into the evidence.
My lord,
You
since,
have to go into the evidence to know what is the vote act attributed to them.
my lord, since there is a judicial order for consideration of the bail application, it is not expressed but implied. For after examination of all the eyewitnesses, your lordship may kindly direct the Clerk and Trial Court to examine the rest of the eyewitness first.
We will see.
My lord.
That
This
is
is
your
my
submission.
this is my submission.
You say that primarily what you are trying to say is the informant is not examined and other eyewitnesses,
eyewitnesses are
out of 14
14.
eyewitnesses, only 6 eyewitnesses are examined. The remaining may,
Yes.
should be examined thereafter. They can. This is what you are saying.
My lord.
This is your submission. Yes. Next item. Yes. Sir.
As your lordship rightly asked, suppose there are a number of witnesses, accused persons. Naturally, the evidence is to be seen. The evidence recorded under section 161. The prosecution case has to be seen. And during pendency of the case, if any witnesses are already examined, those things also can be gone into. But basically, the statement of the witnesses recorded has to be gone into.
Yes.
Here, there are many statements, as my land friend said, 14 eyewitnesses,
48.
those who have directly implicated the petition. Out of which some were examined when the earlier bail application was rejected, who have directly implicated, and now there are the more witnesses are examined, 5 witnesses. They have also implicated the present petitioner.
After this order was
Yes,
passed.
after this order was
After
Yes,
rejection of the bail.
Yes.
fee.
11-8.
That is
After 11 to
PW 14. PW 14.
13, 14, 13 and 14.
13, 14. Student placed
Okay.
Acting.
directly implicated are there.
When the trial court has rejected their bail now,
Yeah.
trial court has
That is,
rejected on
November.
24/1/26. 24/1/26.
Yes. आपको पता ना तुमको? I'm.
Yes.
ना मुझे तो कोई भी जे but
I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything.
I was keep sitting quietly when
I'm not saying
Yes,
anything.
yes, what do you want?
he is not saying anything, but he's creating sound.
That's all right now.
Yeah. The PW 14 matter, your lordship can see case 2. Sorry, paragraph 2. The incident occurred on 50. This is one Ramo Kohan. I know that this is Dilip Kohan. I also know Abhimanyu Kohan, Babushi Kohan, Jitendra Kohan, Berat Kohan, all my co-villages. The incident occurred on 15/5/2024. The occurrence took place on 9:20 p.m. I was in my house and cooking. Hearing commotion, I came outside. I saw the commotion taking place at the house of Sudarshan Kohan. My house is at 50 to 60 cubic away from the house of the Sudarshan Kohan. Virat Kohan, Abhi Kohan, Dilip Kohan, Rama Kohan, Jitendra Kohan, Babuji Kohan were on the site, and Sudarshan Kohan was engaged in the altercation with them. Sonu Kohan called some persons over phone. Within half an hour, 20 to 25 persons came. Raju Torai. So how gentleman he was, immediately they came to fight out the war.
Yes.
From this also your lordship can appreciate the conduct of these people.
Active participation.
Yes.
Yes.
Raju, the 20 to 25 persons came. Raju Torai assaulted Rama Kohan by a finger and instigated others. And after that instigation, heavy assault was made, which you can know from the postmortem report, the number of injuries. Thenga instigated others to assault and finished the family of Rama Kohan, Samira Kohan. He is the main culprit. The present petitioner is the main culprit who not only assaulted by Thenga, not only prevented the control of the deceased, allowing the others to assault him. That is there also statement schedule 40. That there. So he also directly implicated his. This further evidence, what was already there. I am not placing the evidence which is already there before rejection. This is now fresh. Now I am only placing. Thenga instigated others to assault and finish the family of Rama Kohan, Samira Papu, Samira Sahu, Papu Tarai, Babulu Sahu, Raja Tarai, Raju Tarai, Palia Pradhan, Kartika Pradhan, Manu Tarai, were among the group of 20 to 25 culprits. So this is a direct implication. Here, your lordship can see the next 2-3 lines thereafter.
Yes.
When Dilip Kohan showed his right hand and received the blow on his right hand, Raja Tarai caught hold of Dilip and Papu Tarai dealt sword blow to him. When Jitendra Pawan intervened, Bablu Sahu dealt a sword blow to him. When Bablu Sahu attempted another, Jitendra Pawan fell down from Hanuman's statue. Raja Tarai dealt 2 sword blows to Bapuji Pawan. When he tried to give another blow, Bapuji Pawan entered inside the Hanuman temple. Dilip Pawan was lying in front of the house of the Sudarshan Pawan, which is also in front of the Babla Pawan. Then you also can see the evidence of PW 50. I know informant Rama Pawan, who is my co-villager. I also know this is Dilip Pawan, who is also son of the informant. I also know Jitendra Pawan, Hospital Padan, Vikla Padan, such and such. The incident occurred on 15/5/24. When I was returning from my work, I found a group of people sitting near Ramchandrapur RCD College Square and discussing something. They were talking loudly. I entertained some doubts, so I stopped there. They were discussing about politics. Kalia Pradhan, Balya Pradhan, Bona Pradhan, Raju Tarai, the present petitioner. Gopi Gowda, Bablu Sahu, Samir Sahu, Manda Tarai, Menu Tarai, Jitendra Tarai, Papu Tarai, Manoj Pradhan, all of them, Ramchandrapur, Sudarshan Pradhan, Sonu Pawan and few others of our village were present and discussing about politics. They were discussing that Rama Pawan had a meeting in Chakaleshwar temple and was influencing others to join BJP from BJP. Raju Tarai was using abusive words like such and such against Rama Pawan. They were all further discussing the Sudarshan and Sonu will oppose. So he will not active participant, he is the leader. The whole point is that at that too, very lightly, mildly, my last friend submitted that he was belonging in 1/302. As if it's a one has to.
No, he has been exonerated. Why do you say mildly? I've said that, and he has been. He was not even charge sheeted.
It's easy to reply each and every one.
No, you get the wrong statement.
Counter.
No, he's countering. I'm countering.
Yes, your argument is basically
Yes.
the witnesses.
It's a clear malady.
Witnesses have attributed, overtaken, which is active participation.
Active participation, assault,
and
instigation.
And other eyewitnesses and
instigation.
informant has not been examined.
Exactly. Informant and many other eyewitnesses are also to be examined.
This is the whole.
And he's a hardened criminal, as himself admittedly said that was involved in 1/302 case. I'm in now 72. I'm not involved in a 323 case today. So involving 302 case, 1 or 2, how many persons used to be involved? What should be their antecedent and what should be the nature of their life that they will be involved? And he's running. After knowing that there is a halla, if we'll know that there is some halla, we'll go away, try to go away from the halla. But he went to the halla.
Yes.
So the whole point is that he is basically inherently a person who is the antecedent is telltale and his conduct is telltale and his assault and the participation in the assault not only as an assailant but also as an instigator because he is the leader.
Yes.
So by catching a lathi.
Yes. What about the other?
Kartika
to ruled out. He's brought everything and distributed. That's the evidence.
He has not participated.
Is concerned. And who has participated? If not you. You are the person who got all the sword and everything distributed.
Three swords in a sack, my lord.
I think out of all, you have the worst case. You are holding a very difficult brief.
One injury is there, my lord. So far as
that's a difference.
One injury, my lord. They have stated all have assaulted, my lord. Only one injury. PM report, your lordship kindly see. PW1, my lord.
But you are, what is this?
Kartika, the person who implicated Kartika. PW 3, 4, 8, 9, 13 and 14.
This is Kartika. It's terrible. Kartika, so far as the witnesses which was read out, all of them said that he brought in a sack, he brought
three swords.
And 3 swords and iron rod and all. He distributed amongst all. And which was used for the commission.
Iron rod, my lord.
Sword
and one injury. All have stated they have assaulted brutally, my lord. Only one injury is there.
What about Raju also there?
Raju.
What about Suresh Champai?
Suresh
Jafarullah Sahib is not.
No. That is a different case. That was disposed of. Your lordship allow.
Okay.
Two petitioners are there.
Raju and Kartik.
Kartik.
My whole submission before see my
Why 2% for 2 cases?
Madam say but in case it agur file itla.
Okay.
Madam 20
Yes, yes, what do you want?
Madam in this case my lord what happened the merit on merit my lord prayer for the prayer for bail of this petitioner rejected on 11/8/25 my lord.
Yes, that in
Thereafter my lord they move application before the trial court on 10/10 my lord. In the meantime my lord some other eyewitnesses have already been examined. But here, Madam, in the 25.
It is rejected on 10/10/25.
Yes, my lord.
Now 26, my lord. In the meantime, some of the eyewitnesses have already examined, my lord. The father of this is yet to be examined, my lord. Who is the injured eyewitness to occurrence, my lord. And this study, if the petitioner of religion, my lord, having 3 criminal accidents earlier, my lord.
No, he has been acquitted. In the meantime, I have given the judgment copy, my lord.
And this is not the proper time to release the one of the person who has brought 3 swords, my lord. Who the instrumental for murder of this is, my lord. Kartik my lord.
Yes. My PM report is concerned 1 injury, my lord.
And all the witnesses have stated that Kartik bring the 3 swords in his smack, my lord.
Kartika Parida has 3 criminal antecedents and Raju Tarai has 14 criminal antecedents. With this background,
Raju Tarai 14.
Are these?
I have given the affidavit, my lord, with judgment.
In paragraph 6,
paragraph
6 we have given the total.
All 14.
He has been, and what about 12?
Kartika has 2.
Kartika
4 cases, 2 acquitted and 2 he was on bail. I have given the affidavit with judgment, my lord.
Okay, I will pass.
That judgment with affidavit.
This judgment,
Lordship, may see paragraph 6. We have disclosed all our antecedents.
paragraph 14 only, madam. In bail matter. Paragraph 14, madam.
14,
In rape and murder.
And the status.
Trial has already started, madam. Sorry.
Same thing.
Raju Tarai has 14 criminal.
That we have given.
12, Bharat. Maybe you are including this case.
Is that once these type of cases, the court should be loath in entertaining.
That also deal by the earlier court bench.
Yes.
I have given the affidavit with the judgment, my lord. 2 cases he has been acquitted and 2 cases was on bail.
My lord, I just urge your lordships to go through the statements of the eyewitnesses, all the
I'll
eyewitnesses.
just see.
In the same line
That is
of
the judgment who has been acquitted in 2 cases and he was on bail in 2 cases. Kartiko.
my lord, the same line.
Raju Tarai, my lord, excluding the present case, has 14 criminal antecedents. Excluding the present case, has 14 criminal antecedents.
We have
He has disclosed already.
There are 13 disclosed.
including this.
That is there.
Including this one.
No. Excluding this case.
This one 14. Excluding this one 14.
Out of that 302 he has been.
That's there. That is already you have disclosed.
My lord, just because if your lordship sees the tenor of the statements of all the eyewitnesses, it is in the same light. Thenga to the informant. Ramapradhan has been hit by him by a Thenga.
That's there.
And no one has said that he has struck the deceased.
I got the evidence.
Yes.
Overall idea of the evidence.
My lords, no one says he has struck the deceased.
Okay. Thank you.
Obliged.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.